Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome into this last minute Saturday live stream. Hope everyone is having a great weekend so far. Been up and early watching some early morning wrestling. And boy, if you're a wrestling fan, you better check out that John Cena versus AJ Styles match from the pay-per-view this morning. Match of the year, in my opinion. Anyway, we have a surprise live stream today, obviously, and that's because I found a sovereign citizen in court video. Well, two actually. The first video, I'm guessing, is a hearing where our sovereign citizen decides to fire his attorneys because he thinks he knows the law. Then the next video is, I'm guessing, it has to be his trial, I'm guessing, so should be interesting. I haven't seen these videos, so we will check them out together. Let's see who is in the chat room so far. Let's see where's the chat. There it is. Hey, Sally Port, Chris Milky, welcome in. Hey, Legal Fiction. And let's see. Reseller Road Trips Adventure, welcome in. Hey, Abby, Ben, good to see you all. And yeah, I'm sure more people will join as the notifications go out that we are streaming. Because, like I said, this was not planned. Basically, put this together within the last 30 minutes, and it should be an interesting stream today. So, I think without further ado, we should just jump right into it. And like I said, this first video we're going to watch, it's only 8 minutes long, but apparently in this video, he decides to fire his attorneys, and then the actual trial video, which is almost an hour long, he apparently tries walking out. So, yeah, something tells me things aren't going to end well for this guy. I contacted WWE for you. They said it's okay for you to play that John Cena match. Trust me, bro. Hey, Ed. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. And without further ado, oh, and shout out, by the way, to the channel Old Squishy Gardener's Court Watch for providing these great videos. I'll post a link in the chat to them in a minute. And without further ado, let's roll the videos.
Listen here. Okay, if you don't answer the question, I'm going to release the lawyers. Case number 25-00791FY, State of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby.
Yeah, people.
Morning. 7446, standing in for the attorney of record, Van Donick, and appearing on behalf of Mr. Timothy Dansby, who stands to my right. Mr. Dansby, can you please state your full name for the record?
Timothy Dansby.
All right, Mr. Dansby, we're back. Do you mind having Ms. Miller stand in for Mr. Gonick for today's hearing?
That's up to the court. I still reserve my right. I mentioned all of the previous hearings, but part of today's process has been going what it's going to continue doing what it's doing, but I still
Does that mean you don't mind her standing in?
want to interpret.
Okay, you know what? I'm not going to play that game. It's a yes or no question. Okay, do you want to adjourn it and see who it is?
Well, we're off to a strong start with this guy. He plans on representing himself, but he can't answer simple, basic questions. He who has, well, what's the saying? He who represents himself in court has a fool for a client. Hey, Aces Dumb Criminals, good to see you. Hey, Terry Barnes and Ludonites, welcome in.
You have a right to have the counsel of record present if you want. to be here instead of Miss Miller. And this is basically for a probable cause conference and adjourn date on a retail fraud first degree. When we had adjourned it before for your lawyers to get video discovery. So do you mind her standing in or no? Okay, so you don't want a lawyer, sir? I'll release him if you don't want one. Nobody's gonna force you to have a lawyer to help you. If you want to do it all yourself, do it. Do you want me to release the lawyers?
You know, same firm soon right now.
Do you want a lawyer? Yes or no?
It's a simple question, dude.
It's a real easy question, sir. It don't take all day. Listen here. Okay, if you don't answer the question, I'm gonna release the lawyers. If that's what, because you've been complaining the whole time about, I didn't ask for no state attorney. I don't want nobody, I don't know what it, whatever you gonna do. No, I'm not doing anything. I didn't appoint the person in the first place. I didn't do it. Okay, so you don't want them? Is that what you're telling me? Do you want them? Yes or no?
On the same.
Sir, listen, this is not going to be a matter of semantics. Do you want one or not?
And I love how this judge is being no nonsense. And maybe it's just me, but so far I haven't been able to understand a single word this softset is saying. It's like he's mumbling into the microphone. And thank you to Legal Fiction for the 10 gifted memberships. Thank you, as always, Legal Fiction, for your generosity and support. I appreciate it. And welcome to the new members. Good to have you here. This is a perfect example of Brain.exe has stopped working.
Because nobody's going to force a lawyer on you. I'll be happy to handle this case with you by yourself, doing whatever you can do to help yourself. If that's what you want.
I still didn't get my discovery though.
So, do you want a lawyer?
I'm sorry, I'm standing on the same thing, I think.
I don't even know what that is. Whatever your claim is, I don't know. Okay, let's release the lawyers. All right. Now, you're not getting another one. I'm just telling you.
I reserve the right for judiciary finding on the legitimacy of the court.
You're not getting another lawyer, okay?
Oh, yeah, I said
I don't know what you can reserve what you want. I don't mind.
finding the other court and the legitimacy of the court as far as the
Sir, whatever you want to do, you can do. But since you don't want a lawyer, I can't by law give you one. So.
That was three adjournments ago.
Guess what? So,
Lord haven't given me the things that I need.
okay, sir, nobody can give you anything but a piece of paper. They can give you that. They could give you the police report. They cannot give you the videos because there's no way for you to watch them.
Make sure that the law library at the court, it will order that the law library at the court either have a clerk or somebody to present the information for me to see the video. I don't know. Maybe you just don't want to get done.
Sir, I don't even know. I don't know anything about your law library wherever. All I know is these video files. They're files. They come on a computer.
So the law library should get somebody to be giving people at the law library a heads up to make it law.
Well, you know what? That's up to you to figure out how you're going to get them.
I'll let the second circuit figure it out. Second circuit figure it. You know, probably judge, second court, Supreme Court, we can let them figure it out. I'm straight. Well, I ain't doing nothing.
Ready for me to take them?
You know.
Your Honor, would you like, Mr. Donovan to file any sort of motion or
No,
hold order to have him withdraw?
no, I'm writing order right now, releasing him.
Your Honor.
And so we will reset this, I guess. I don't know why we got him. We could actually bring him back out. And he could decide what he wants to do today.
I do know that, he is wanting to have his preliminary examination, that is.
Okay, well, let's set it for an exam then. How many witnesses, Mrs. Shockley?
Probably just me one.
All right. You want to wait for your order, you can.
Okay, thank you. One witness.
Right.
Yeah, one witness and one defendant that's gonna make it way longer than it's supposed to be. So factor that in.
Court's available October 3rd at 10:30.
All right. So October 3rd at 10:30.
Now the judge
Is
got rid
the
of him in
exam
this
date.
one.
And could you ask Mr. Gonick to make sure he gets a discovery, what he has, over to this person?
I believe that paper discovery has already been given to him. I'll see if the court or if the jail will allow us to give any sort of drive or anything like that that encloses the names.
This record, I would advise the court, the discovery, the AV discovery in this matter is 99% police body worn camera, which has the defendant in it, and there's only one in-store video of the defendant walking past that. So, you
Okay.
didn't know it.
Okay. Well, good. Just make sure he sees it.
That's
Just some of your best efforts on that. And here's the order.
Okay, so that was the first video, and we all saw how well that went for him. Oh man. And now our next video, I believe, is the actual trial itself. Let's see how this goes. I mean, I just can't imagine him defending himself when he can barely form a coherent sentence. Like, I could barely understand what he was saying. And most of what he was saying, I couldn't even understand. So, this trial should go well. Let's see. Let's bring this up. And the title of this video is Sovereign Idiot Walks Out on No Nonsense Judge During the Verdict. Maybe he shouldn't have fired his attorneys.
Excuse me. Listen.
Constitutional right.
Let me tell you something. If you don't stop when I tell you to stop, I'm gonna take you out of here. So this is gonna be case number 25S00791FY. People of the state of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby. Sir, what's your name? All right, Mr. Dansby, good afternoon. Mr. Shockley, place your appearance on.
Track on the captain table.
All right, today is the date scheduled for a preliminary examination. This is on one count of retail fraud, first degree. People prepared to proceed.
Yes, John.
Okay, so the charge is retail fraud, and I guess this is just a preliminary hearing. But still, I mean, it's almost an hour long, so this should be filled with nonsense. Hey, News Now enemy and Erica, good to see you guys. Welcome in. Just in time for some sovereign citizen nonsense.
All right, any preliminary matters?
Did you, pursuant to the court rule, confirm that the defendant still wishes to represent himself as this is a critical proceeding?
No, but do you still wish? Assume he did.
Yeah, it just has.
He's been
Karen.
He's just been asking all this time. Would you still want to represent yourself? You've been telling us all this time. Do you want to represent yourself?
I've been wanting to represent myself.
Okay, so you want to proceed today by yourself without a lawyer, right?
Not before I let it be known that I still never received my full discovery.
Well, what haven't you received, sir?
I haven't had a chance to go over the videotape because one of the witnesses in the videotape that I know that when I was speaking to him and was saying, letting him know that, look, man, put this stuff back on here because I'm choosing not to buy it here and I'm going someplace else. So it wasn't like I was trying to steal nothing. When I told the guy this particular, I wanted to make sure that he's be available to be questioned.
I don't know who he's gonna call. See, this isn't a trial. So this is just your probable cause hearing. So the prosecutor has a very low threshold burden of proof. He doesn't have to put on every witness, he said. He doesn't necessarily have to use the video. He might. And if you say the video means something else, that creates a question of fact that would go to trial for the trier fact to resolve. And of course, you get an opportunity to question about the video in depth at trial.
Also, I'd like to mention the fact that, you know what I'm saying, that it's been delayed because I don't know who these people been coming up here. I've been telling the court that I've been wanting to represent myself.
Well, you've been representing yourself since the last time.
Well, with them saying at the county jail, they said without the court allowing them to know that I was representing myself, it was certain information I couldn't get. They would not have given me. Like the Michigan court rules of evidence. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, really, like, how can he even represent himself when he doesn't even know the difference between a preliminary hearing and a trial? I mean, it's just stupid that the uneducated idiot who probably didn't get to high school is representing himself trying to play lawyer. This is not going to go well for him at all.
I've never heard of the court having to tell the jail you're representing yourself. I've never heard of that.
The new technology, they used to have a law library you could go, but now you do everything over the computer.
Okay.
You got to leave a request. In order for them to fulfill your request, they have certain criteria that you got to show ahead of time.
Well, sir, I don't know anything about what the jail's criteria is.
And also, I asked, for a standby lawyer.
But they don't do that.
But from my understanding from previous experience, I'm from
What year was that?
Federal Circuit Court and from other courts.
Federal Circuit Court.
No, I know it has to be a circuit court. They have done.
This is the state system.
There has been opportunity to have standby lawyer for instances where they could confer certain information that the prosecutor might not want to give to me because he might feel he's better than me or something. Because if my counsel doesn't like.
Listen, Mr. Dansby. We can't keep.
He might allow me to receive.
No, of course you got. That's not true. You have a right to represent yourself and you do have a right to get discovery. But what you can't do is come in here on the day of the hearing claiming that, oh, now you want to stand by counsel. Okay, but I'm telling you.
So he fired his lawyers, and now he's demanding a standby counsel. All of this is just a delay tactic. For whatever reason, sovereign citizens believe that if they can just keep delaying their court appearances, it's some victory for them. But really, it just delays the outcome that we all know is going to happen. He bought a chip on his shoulder as co-counsel. Yes, he did. And thank you to Erica for being a member now for 27 months. Woohoo. Thank you, Erica. I do appreciate that.
I'm just saying it's always been standby counsel been set.
I don't know what your experience is. I just know what Michigan and I don't know when you got.
Well, of information.
Okay, sir.
And
The Michigan Indigent Defense Rules, they have a whole new program that's been started a few years ago. So we used to do standby counsel and anything like that. We do that all the time when the court was appointing. Now they have a whole system. They don't pay for that. They say if the defendant wants a lawyer, fine, but there's no quote standby lawyer in their view, so they don't pay for that. I didn't make that rule. The person,
I couldn't verify it if I wanted to
well, the person that,
without the people in the jail who's running the law library information able to send me the information that I need, because without them having and for their quote,
okay, what
unquote,
information
their
do,
quote unquote,
sir, what information do you think you need just for a preliminary exam?
Your Honor, just
No, I said for Michigan defense appointment.
So then you said it used to get standby counsel.
I said we did before that system was created.
I'll be chance to update on the system, y'all.
Okay, but that has nothing to do with this.
Court proves the evidence.
Your Honor, I'm gonna, just so I can expedite this, and to satisfy the defendant, at the circuit court level, the circuit court has the budget and the ability and the staff to appoint a standby counsel once he gets up there. And once we finish this hearing, he may be up there and he can make that request then, and I'm sure the circuit court will have no problem immediately assigning him an attorney to advise him as he represents himself. As far as the people are concerned, the court has been complied with. He's freely and voluntarily relinquished his right to an attorney. May I call my first
So the
witness?
court, yeah, I like to also state that I still haven't received my discovery, and my date was postponed because of.
Quite frankly, dude, that's your problem that you didn't receive the discovery, because you're the one that decided to play lawyer. You see, if you kept your actual real lawyers, they would have been able to do that for you. And, representing yourself, you're expected to know the rules and procedures of which the court follows. Like, really, how is it that you're going to fire your lawyers and then at the next court appearance complain that you don't have standby counsel? You made that decision, dude. Just stop stalling, because that's all it is right now. He's just stalling. And yeah, legal fiction, he is getting railroaded, as expected.
Some guy who said he was my attorney, I did an extra 30 days, the extra 30 days.
Well, if you keep this up,
That's my attorney.
you
Why wasn't my, why
you're gonna be here another 30 days. Do you want me to adjourn this case again?
No, I don't want to talk. I'm really actually having dismissed.
No,
For the simple fact that.
we're not doing that.
Or ask for a personal bond, because I didn't have my case adjourned.
Dude, let's get something straight right now. The judge is not going to dismiss your case. That's not happening. Get that thinking completely out the window.
Other people's.
Sir, you the one that asked for new lawyers or no lawyer.
Ask for any new lawyer, because I never accepted the first. I have never signed for an appointment of an attorney from the very beginning, even at.
Okay, sir. Well, we're gonna proceed with your preliminary examination without a lawyer, so you should be happy today that you don't have it. And then when you get to the circuit court, ask them to give you a lawyer. He just said they have a budget for that.
Ask them to give me my discovery.
What discovery don't you have?
See, tape.
What tape?
Your Honor, I'm gonna play the tape for him today anyways. There's no right to, there's not even a right to discovery before a preliminary exam, technically underneath the court rule. I mean, we deal with this all the time. So this is just an intermediate proceeding. It's not gonna affect anything. As you know, attorneys don't even ask questions a lot of the times during preliminary exams because it creates a question of that.
But they certainly don't call, they might ask questions, but they don't call witnesses.
Not in all situations. In all the preliminary exams, but there's.
Okay, have a seat, sir, unless you want to stand up for the whole hearing. Call your first witness.
People go to the stand, Robert Stanley.
Okay, Mr. Shockley, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Raise your right hand. Do solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Have a seat. And Mr. Shockley, whenever you're ready.
Yeah, sir, when you are ready, will you please state and spell your name for the record? Who is your employer?
Meyer,
What is your job title with Meyer?
Asset Protection Team Lead.
Asset Protection Team Lead?
Yes, sir.
And how long have you been employed in that capacity by Meyer?
Since January of 2025.
Did you receive any specialized training to have that title or that role?
Yes.
And what do you do? What kind of training?
So it's a multitude. So over years, Wicklander certified, and then different courses in, asset protection and policy related. That kind
Were you employed in that capacity on July 26, 2025, around 5:30 PM?
Yes, sir.
And so do you work at a specific Meyer store or multiple stores?
I'm assigned to the one in Southfield.
Is that located at 28800 Telegraph Road,
Yes,
City of Southfield,
yes,
County of Oakland?
yes.
On that date, around that time, did you identify a retail theft in progress?
Yes.
And how did you identify that?
In this particular case, it was just, rapid selections of, similar merchandise.
What do you mean rapid selections?
So one of the indicators of theft is, grabbing merchandise without looking at price or without appearing to look at price, that kind of thing.
And how did you see this occurring?
On the floor?
Were you physically on the floor or were you watching cameras?
Sorry, I was physically on the floor.
Did you follow this individual,
I did.
as he was selecting items?
Correct.
Do you see that individual being presently in the courtroom?
I do.
And identify an article of clothing wearing?
It's the person to my left, and he's wearing like a blue, shirt with a white t-shirt.
Your Honor, may the record reflect the proper identification of the defendant?
Yes, so ordered.
Upon following this individual, did at one point he come to the point of sale?
He did.
Was that before, at any point did he try to walk out before coming to those points of sale?
No,
Did he have a cart or was he concealing these items on his person?
it was a carton.
Was that cart full?
Yes.
Upon him going to the point of sale, what did you? Just so we put, you were at the point of sale when he got there.
I was, yes.
What did you see him do at that point?
He went up to a, cashier, and myself and asked where the bathroom was.
Was that before or after the cash register?
That was, it's kind of at the same time. It's like at a, it's like a giant area where there's like self-checkouts.
Are these self-checkouts?
Yes,
Is there a long looping line to the self-checkout?
correct.
Should have expected that. Self-checkouts, which is why a lot of stores now are basically very limited use of them, making very limited use out of the self-checkouts because of the increase of theft.
Did he still have the cart with him?
He did. So he left the cart, actually by me, and then he went to the restroom.
What did he do? Did he come out of the restroom?
He did.
What did he do upon coming out of the restroom?
He grabbed the cart and proceeded towards the opposite side of the store, which would be the grocery side.
And what did he do upon getting to the grocery side?
He pushed the cart out, exiting the store without offering payment.
Did you stop him at that point?
Yeah.
Did he say anything to you upon stopping him?
He said, I can't recall exactly what he said.
But he did say something?
He did.
Okay. And what did he do upon you confronting him?
He walked past me and then went out the doors going to the, on the grocery side into the parking lot.
Did he abandon his cart or did he try to take his cart with him?
He abandoned it.
Upon scanning these items, was a receipt produced?
It was.
Yeah, may I approach the witness?
Yes.
People pose exhibit 1. What is that?
It's a receipt from there.
And does it fairly accurately pick the items you scanned from part?
Yes.
Has that receipt been edited in any way to your knowledge?
Well, no.
People go to that People's Exhibit 1.
Show it to the, okay, sir, that is People's Proposed Exhibit 1. Hello? Well, he's offering it. Is there an objection? Okay, no objection heard, admitted.
Sir, does mine take camera?
We do.
And were those cameras working operational on that day?
They were.
And did upon him leaving the store, did you contact law enforcement? Did law enforcement come to your location?
They called him, like in the, they went towards 12 Mile, made a right. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's east or west, but made a right and then they caught it right there. And then they came.
So, okay, so to answer my question, law enforcement did come to your location?
Yes.
Upon them coming to your location, did you show them video for the incident?
Yes.
Previously to you taking the stand, did I show you what's on this flash drive?
Yes.
Is what's on this flash drive, the videos from my road that day?
Yes.
People will move to next People's Proposed Exhibit 2.
Any objection?
People's proposed exhibit 2 is the camera footage from mine, correct?
Yes.
And that's the same footage we turned over to the police? Yes. People moves on that. People.
I'll object to the fact, John, that I haven't had a chance to go over, take previous to the examination. You know what I'm saying? I'd like to state for the record that being able to go over there would be part of my discovery. And since the prosecutor said, I guess upon his word, I guess he's making precedence with that. You don't have to give.
But why don't we do this, sir? Let's play the video without admitting it so you can watch it. Then if you have an objection, you can lodge your objection at that time.
Step out.
Who is he?
But-
Why should he step out? He's already seen it.
But he ain't seen it when I'm looking at it. He might be making them different.
No, we're not. He doesn't have to step out. We're gonna show him you the video. Go ahead, sir. There's your video.
I'm straight.
You said you haven't.
Video. I was there.
Well, you said you wanted to.
Boy, there's just no winning with this guy. He's complaining that he didn't get a chance to see the evidence, so the judge is offering to show him the evidence without it actually being in evidence yet. And then he says, but oh, I was there. I don't need to see the video. Which one is it, dude? Like, you can't have it both ways here. You really should have fired your attorneys, because it's crystal clear to everyone you are completely clueless at what you're doing right now. Man, horrible playing lawyer.
See the video.
I was present, John, when.
Sir, either one way or the other. Are you objecting to the video? Yes or no?
I don't know if it's the whole video or not.
Okay. So
Run the video.
go ahead and play it.
Sir, if you would turn around and look at the screen, is this, one of the videos you provided to?
And I'm happy, sorry. It's just.
Yeah.
Run the video for me.
We're showing it to you, but he's gonna
Tell him to turn
well,
around.
he's gonna identify what it is.
I mean,
Then-
if it's my time for me to watch the video, then I watch the video. When it's his time to ask him a question, then he can watch the video.
Let's have him identify what it is he's showing. Let's at least do that. Okay, let's do that. Go ahead, Ms. Shapley.
Sir, is this a video you turned over to Southfield Police?
Yes,
Is that actually you in the video?
yeah, that's, being go on right now.
Okay.
All right, no more questions. Just let him watch it.
Wait, this is at the, this is gross exit view. This is at the 17-hour, 53-minute mark. So was
You
that you
think-
walking out with the,
No questions. Just let him watch it first.
well, that's the end of that portion.
Hmm.
That's him leaving the store, he left the store.
I can see what it is. Just let him watch it. Then we'll come back and you can ask questions once he objects or I admit it or whatever, because I'm not admitting it yet.
This video is later labeled GMSCO overview.
Okay.
To the 17-hour, 47-minute mark.
I can't see.
Okay. Well, why don't you walk up there closer?
Hey, Agent, welcome in. Boy, you'd think they would have better quality cameras.
I'm stopping the video at the 17-hour, 49-minute, 12 second.
Okay. Is that it?
Yes.
All right, sir. Head back to your seat. So that's the video that he seeks to admit. Do you have an objection?
Yeah.
What is that?
Complete video of the incident that happened. Because at this junction right there, I was going to the bathroom when I did not go past.
Okay, but sir, that's an argument. You can make an argument later. The question is this the video that purportedly was taken by Meyer cameras and turned in by this witness to the prosecutor's office? He said that's what it is. Now, you can question the validity of it, the length of it, how long it was, but doesn't affect the admissibility of it. So,
Well, tell me the question.
okay, so it's submitted. So you want to ask him some questions now, Mr. Shacklin?
Yes, Donna.
Go ahead.
This is of it too, just for the record. Sir, you.
So you want to stand up and look again?
Oh, no.
He's gonna take you,
Oh, you want me to?
All right, well, thank you.
he's gonna go back to that first video.
And just so we're clear, sir, the time and date, on that video is correct, right?
Yes.
And I'm gonna play now, grocery exit view at the 17-hour 52-minute mark.
I got look. I'm gonna ask him to play that back.
So is that you confronting the defendant?
Yes, sir.
When he was walking onto the exit, is that after he abandoned his cart?
Like this part right here, you're talking?
Yeah.
Where's the cart
Do you see the lady?
with the pink hat?
No, ma'am, the, one with like the dark pants and the black shirt right there.
Meyer outfit?
Yes, ma'am. The cart is right there just in front.
I'll run it back.
Yeah, this part I'm trying to see, I think, you know, my.
Yeah, go ahead.
I mean, I will say these security cameras are not the best quality. It's kind of hard to see.
Mr. Shy. Oh,
At that point, he walked up with the cart, right?
Yes,
And one of your associates takes it away from him?
correct.
Okay, and then you confront him.
Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, you said somebody took the car away from, where is that? You should have shown me that. You think,
okay.
ask the question, I'm asking you to
Sir,
show me.
sir,
Yeah.
no, you don't ask the prosecutor questions. You have to ask the witness questions.
Well, I don't have access to go to the ground and take myself, yeah, because I haven't been allowed my
This-
copy of the tape or like.
Well, it's not your time to ask the questions yet. You'll get a chance to.
I don't have a copy of the tape to go.
Sir,
over
you
that.
don't need it. You watched it.
Well, I'm watching it, I'm trying to verify what's going on.
Okay, but you're not doing it right. You have to wait till he asks the witness questions,
Okay.
and then you'll get a chance to ask the witness questions too.
Sir,
I know that.
you see the person in the middle of that video that looks like he has like a white stripe at the bottom of his leg?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that the person you identified as the defendant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that cart he appears to be holding it in his hand. Is that the cart you took the items out and then scanned to create that receipt, which was People's Exhibit 1?
Yes, sir.
You are good.
Where's the car?
It's right there at the entrance by that lady in the blue shirt and pants. She's holding.
How did you get there?
You were,
I didn't take it.
sir, if you watch the video, it shows you, he identified you pushing the cart, and when he got to that part, they stopped you
Okay.
and took the cart.
Now they took the car, but there was an individual, it was a young black male.
Okay, sir.
It was, hold on, y'all.
But just, you're not testifying.
It was a young, I'm not testifying.
Yes, you are. You're trying.
Dude, it's not your turn to make arguments. You're gonna get that opportunity, but it's not right now. Hell, the prosecutor hasn't even finished his exam on the witness yet.
to tell us your story, and this
I'm
is
trying
not.
to tell you that the tape, this is not the full tape.
Okay, this is not the time.
This is not the full tape.
Okay, sir.
This is not the full tape. How can you show half of the tape and then the sequence instead of showing the whole tape? From the times that I left from the times that I left, The black part with the where I was paying for the tape and walked in there, it's a whole section missing. So where is the section missing the problem?
You'll get a chance to ask him those questions.
Well, how am I gonna show them if I can't show my?
You'll get a chance to ask the witness that question.
I wanna be able to see on.
He's the one who says he made the tape and turned it in. He's the one who would know if there's a section missing or how he copied it.
I should wait for my course for that.
Yes.
Come on back. Wait, I've been.
Mr. Shockley, are you done with this particular tape?
Yeah.
Could you do me a favor? Roll it back to the very beginning of this, where there's people coming out of that door on the left. I'm gonna tell you when to stop something. I just want to see something.
Want to keep going?
Yeah, well, yeah, keep going. It's the okay. Okay, play it.
And you know, the sad thing is they probably offered him a good plea deal, something minor, but instead he wants to fight it and represent
Can he
himself.
stop at that, take there, Mr. Prosecutor? Can you stop right there? Mr. Shaw?
Yeah.
When the defendant was pushing that. speaking first,
Sir, no.
No, ma, okay, all right.
Not your turn.
No, ma, okay, all right, well, you have the word, okay,
You gotta play it again when it's your turn.
okay.
Hey. That point, the defendant leaves the store, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, are you gonna have to play that overhead camera view?
If you would like me to.
I don't know what that was. So if you need it, you can play it. It's part of it.
That's what they do.
And this camera view, I mean, seems kind of pointless because you really can't see or tell what's going on at all.
That was 17-hour, 47 minutes. Sir, we can pause in the video for a second. Do you see yourself in the bottom left corner of that video? Too small?
First of all, what area of the store is this video depicting?
Your Honor, this is in the GM side, so this would be the north side of the store.
Okay. So service desk to the left,
Yes, ma'am. So if,
and that's where's the are the doors depicted in this? No.
Can I go closer to the TV?
Yeah.
It's so easier. So when you went to the bathroom, it was right this way.
Okay.
Okay. And when I went towards the door, is he takes the cart here and then goes this way down that long aisle. And then it goes into the grocery, which you saw right here.
Okay. So that's what this is depicting. And so that's like the open area where you come in. That's no cash registers right there. Is that them right there? Walking right up there?
So this is your entrance right here.
Stop, right up there at the top. Is that him?
Sorry.
Right there. Is that him?
Yeah, I don't think this camera angle is gonna help them out much. I mean, it's just terrible angle. Hey Ziggy, welcome in. Good to see you. I'm looking forward to the cross-examination, if there is one. Because it's just gonna be full of nonsense. Then I saw Van Balian just posted something, so maybe after this we'll check that out. Because I found the original link for that video.
Gentlemen, I've asked any questions yet? John? Not yet.
You gotta wait till it's time to cross exam. This is direct exam.
Oh.
You should know this, dude. You're the one that decided to play lawyer. You should know all these rules. Yeah, I agree. Legal fiction. The fisheye view doesn't help unless you zoom in on what's on what we're supposed to be looking at. Yeah, because from this view, I can't tell anything. Honestly, I mean, I don't think this is going to help the prosecution's case, but the defendant's going to do a great job of ruining any case he has for himself. I wonder though if they have if there were police body
Why did
cam
you decide to just
videos.
stand there and wait?
Because he's in the bathroom and that was his carton right there.
You just watched this card?
Yeah, so at that point, that's all I heard about the carton.
Let the defendant right there going to get his card?
Yes, sir.
Do we see the time?
Mr. Shaka, can you show him the timer?
The time.
This is that point, the time when, play frame is 17 hours, 52 minutes. The grocery exit view, when I started playing that video, which is the last video we saw, was starting at 17 hours, 53 minutes. Is it fair to say that he then took his car to that grocery exit?
Yes.
Okay, and that's what you stopped him?
Correct.
I don't know. What was you remember what the value was? Never seen.
Exhibit number 1
Yeah.
says $39.99. Oh, I'm sorry, 207.12.
I believe it's just over 200.
Yeah, that was one item I was looking at. 207.12. Okay, are you finished?
I'm done.
Okay, sir. Cross examination now.
Okay, I'm
Oh boy, this should be good. So he stole $207 worth of groceries. Oh boy. How many irrelevant questions is this guy gonna ask the witness? Let's find out.
I do.
He can play it.
Okay, now,
What do you want him to play?
if this document right here, this is document
Yes.
seven,
Yes.
this is seven. So this point right here, when we finished lesson, the self-pay machines was walking towards the cash register where it would be taken in, and you went that way. At which point did you start walking behind? Can you run the tape? At which point was you walking behind as you finished, letting him know that you'd already called the police?
I don't understand. I'm sorry, so I really don't understand your question.
Okay, at one point when you put that out there, pushing. Yeah, you came behind and said, "I'm gonna come to my office, I already called the police."
Yes, sir.
Okay, was that before or after he got close to a rescue?
That was after the accident.
That was after the exit was here,
No, sir. It was, the
after
other.
the exit of the store?
Yes, sir. After the accident.
So when he was walking this way, can you show the text, can you show the text, Mr. Prosecutor, but pushing the car?
You want to see this video that's permanently on?
I want to see the video, the park. It was all on one camera. Can you zoom me into the park where the defendant is pushing the car? Going towards the other exit.
This is the video you want to see, sir, correct?
Yeah, he wants to see where he's pushing the cart going towards the other side of the store towards the groceries. If you can zoom in on it. I don't know if you can.
You could see it better on the roof. So,
Now show us, witness, where he is in this view right here.
I go.
Hey
Yeah,
Liz,
go on up there.
Right there.
That's the cart and that's him. Okay.
they should have just used this view the entire time. At least we can see what's happening. So he makes it look like that he's scanning at the self-checkout when he really doesn't. He just did that for show, and then he goes to try and leave without actually scanning anything.
So what was he doing at the scanner machine there? Did he scan anything?
Yes, ma'am. He scanned one item and then put that same item back in his cart, never offered payment.
Okay. All right.
Question for you, Mr. Scanlon. Did you check that scanner after he left?
I did.
And what did he say?
And one item up there.
And what was the price of that item?
Don't recall.
Because it didn't work. Okay.
And so point to him there in that shot. See way down there
Yes, ma'am. He's swinging it down.
where the pointer is.
Yes, ma'am.
That's where you were approaching?
No, sir.
And who was the other individual, the black young male that was on?
You'd have to show me which one. There was a couple over there.
Yeah, so he scanned one item but didn't pay for it and then tried to just leave. You know, he did that all for show, basically. Make it look like he was cashing out and using the register. I mean, this is basically a pretty open and shut case if you ask me. He stole, got caught, and that's it.
So at that point, when when you spoke to the defendant, or spoke to the, was there anybody up there that had a conversation?
I mean, I'm sure those,
No, was there another employee there? Conversation.
like when you and I were talking,
When you approached. Cause now you saying he head out the door?
yes, sir. So there's 3 employees there total. So myself, another employee, and then another employee. And then when you and I were talking, it's just.
Hold on. Where is the young male? It was a black guy right there.
There's a.
Okay, now, you say you come right here, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you show, you go back to the top, okay. Right here. Can you go back to this part up here? Not down, another time, this part right here. This appears to be stop moving. Here, right there, yeah. Now, can you run that, showing that part right there?
Don't really see what point he's trying to make here. I mean, but they were watching him. They shouldn't have been watching him, so case dismissed, right? At least that's what he wishes that would happen, Ben.
Stop, stop this. What is this right here?
That's the time.
What's this right here?
Huh?
So why is it not in the city? Why is this moving faster than that?
It's you see so that's the 40. Those 3 that go to do those cycles.
I understand this is going to look something. I'm talking about this time here and this time here. Why is, 17 minus 12 was 5? 17 minus 12.
Yeah, it's
I know, no, 13 minus 12 was time. Here's the time. Okay, can you go back? This is probably about 3 minutes. But what I'm trying to figure out here, Mr. Is how
Mr. Attorney, you talk to the witness?
to the witness, yeah. I'm wanting to
The witness is Mr. Sammons.
why I keep saying shot.
That's a prosecutor.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I appreciate
now,
the
I can't-
compliment.
This guy really doesn't know who the witness or the prosecutor is, really?
Take it.
At what junction did you say would you like to come to the office with me?
It would be, is it okay to go up? Yeah.
You can always step up and point.
It would be right here, sir. Like, right, see those towers, just past those towers right there.
And you finna go past those towers?
Yes,
And they beat?
no, sir.
Why not?
Those towers are what they're called is electronic article surveillance. What they detect is merchandise protection that's on products. Not all products have that merchandise protection, so it'll only go off if one of those products that has merchandise protection.
Okay, so what, so hold on, wait a minute. Stop, can you go back one more time, Mr. Prosecutor, about another minute? Cause what happened to the, okay, go back. Okay, so, hold on, now, go forward. 'Cause I'm trying to see which tape is, which is which. Okay, that's her stuff. He's going in it with her stuff? He's coming out with his, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, I'll give this Sopsa a tiny bit of credit. At least he's trying to make some type of argument. What argument he's trying to make here? Still not really sure. Seems like he's just stalling. At least I think, but at least he isn't doing the whole sovereign citizen script. Does your store have jurisdiction? Or you have no authority over me? You can't detain me. And that stuff. But I have a feeling before this video is over, we're going to hear some sovereign citizen BS.
So this stuff never went past here.
It did. We went right to the town piece.
So what happened to, is this, where is this started?
That would be, the part that the defendant was pushing, sir.
So it never went past here.
It did, you have to see it, you'll be able to see it, sir.
Okay. I want to see what's in there. Okay, but you say stop, you stop right there. Is that the real brother? Well, you got on fade. Okay, right, okay. This is the individual I need to see, right? Who is this individual right here?
That's another employee of,
Yeah, that, what's his name?
I don't know the last name, it's for this kid.
Is he part of your team?
My team, no, an employee of mine.
Not an employee of yours?
So, he doesn't work under me, no, he's just an employee of mine. But he's not on, like, my specific team.
So was you close enough with the conversation was held between him and the defendant?
Your Honor, if the defendant's done with the video, that's some go back to his table.
Are you done, sir?
No, I'm only done with the video, because I'm trying to figure out, Mr.
Sands.
How did you keep the defendant from the front?
Yeah, that's, so I was following the defendant along the back aisle, where I could keep it, where I could watch while I'm walking.
Okay. So at which point did you, when you walking behind him, when you was walking behind him, was you out the store?
I was never behind, I was always to the side.
I mean, legal fiction, you just hit the nail on the head there. He went past the point of sale, which is the registers, so case closed. He made it look like he was trying to pay, but he didn't really pay for anything. It was just, like I said, all for show. And he got caught. Simple as that. Like, hell, even if he had kept his attorneys, he wouldn't have had a real defense, but I'm sure maybe they could have came up with something, a more slightly stronger argument or something. I mean, this is an open and shut case from everything I've seen.
Now, I think right there to equipment. I'm saying that you know the defendant picking up items without checking the price.
Appear
It appears to be the job.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you profile the individual who's coming in.
No, so we don't profile, what we look for is behaviors, so,
Okay, profile behavior basically kind of like it's saying something.
uh,
And also, when you went to the scanning machine, you said did you go back and check the thing on the scanning machine, see the scan?
I didn't need to, I was at the, where I was, I could view every scanner and I could see as it goes.
So you're seeing the one thing get scanned,
Correct.
and you're seeing the machine activated. Or do you know if it actually scanned?
I don't know what you mean by activate, I apologize.
When you go to the self-care machine and you try to scan it,
Yes.
it's
It'll-
ready.
Yeah, it'll beep and then something.
Right, did you hear it beep?
There's lots, there's like stuff.
No
right
further
there.
questions, because it wasn't working. All right, no further questions.
Mr. Shop, anything else?
No.
Mark, how do you know the groceries didn't want to go with them, huh? Good argument there, Liz. Though I'm sure they wouldn't want to. Yeah, this guy, he is as guilty can be. I mean, the video shows it and the video doesn't lie.
Sir, thank you so much. You may step down. Any other witnesses for the people?
People rest.
Thank you. All right,
Boy, the people have rested. So let's see if this guy can come up with a coherent defense, or if he just completely skips making an argument altogether, like I've seen a couple of soft-sits do. The register was broken, so he has the right to steal? No, he doesn't. I'm sure there are other registers, and simple as that.
sir. Do you have any witnesses? Typically, the defense does not call witnesses at a preliminary exam. But do you have any witnesses?
Like I said,
Do you have any witnesses?
I haven't had a chance with the witness that I would have liked to have.
Okay, but you don't,
I wouldn't get a chance because I never got a chance.
sir, you still got a chance at trial to call a witness. This is not a trial. All you're gonna do is create a question of fact.
I can tell you this, Your Honor.
Okay, wait, we're not at the argument.
Let's take,
Stop.
let's take.
Mr. Shockley is gonna make his motion. Go ahead, Ms. Shockley.
Moved by the defendant to arrest charge. As you know, this is veto fraud in the third degree. It's enhanced from a second to a first. Dollar amount's over $200. The video shows in the testimony, Mr. Saman shows that he attempted to leave the store without making any ability or offer to pay for those items.
The attorney seems so done with this guy. Hey, Vicky Johnson, welcome in. Good to see you.
Accordingly, we custody is bound over charge. Thank you.
Yeah, what do you want to say by way of argument now, sir?
I'd like to say, Your Honor, that it's been such a long time, I never had a chance to get the tape. You know what I'm saying? And I also like to state.
You went over that tape ad nauseum today, sir.
Like, that tape, the prosecutor had to take so long, but that's not.
And of course, I think it might have been Legal Fiction that called it. He was going to argue that he didn't get a chance to review the tape. Dude, we just spent the last half hour watching the tape. Like, you had plenty of time to review what you needed to review.
Exactly, that tape doesn't exactly show what happened. But that individual was walking behind me. I don't know how you did that to tape. That's why I was looking for the time. And also,
Oh, so now the video was edited and the video was lying. Jesus.
I like, again, just for the matter of the country that impropriety on the way the examination was ran for the simple fact. And it's the days and the time that it took, even though the prosecutors did show his willingness to show the tape, did not give me a chance to go over the tape. Since we've been postponing this, I haven't had a chance to even call, and I still, to this joint, don't know the witness name of the individual that was.
Sir, you got plenty of time to find the witness and call them for trial. This is not a trial.
How am I gonna do it, Your Honor, if I can't get the paperwork?
What paperwork?
I can't get the discovery, mostly for discovery.
You got a folder full of paperwork.
Look,
A police report, right?
I'm talking about, Your Honor, the paperwork in order to get the discovery, to get
Now, I don't know what paperwork you're talking about.
the rest of the discovery, the motion to be able to write the motion for the discovery.
No,
The
You-
Michigan court rules to determine that the Michigan, or you don't know the Michigan court rules to determine that the prosecutor must.
no, you know what? I have no idea even what you're talking about at this point. You got the police
Also, I
report,
like-
which gives you all the information.
And for the last.
Never mind. I'm not quit talking.
I like to put on record.
I'm just
Okay.
gonna stop talking. You can take over this whole courtroom. Go ahead. And you got about 3 minutes to do it.
All right, for the last statement, I like what state for the courtroom, still that the court never actually showed its authority to trial the individual, because I don't know if this prosecutor, the court, even have license to practice law.
Okay, no, we're not going down that road. Excuse me. Listen.
I don't have, hold on, I got a right, I got a constitutional right.
Let me tell you something. If you don't stop when I tell you to stop, I'm gonna take you out of here. We're not getting into whether somebody has a license to practice law. You are to contain,
It's a legitimate argument.
listen, you're to contain your argument to the facts
And it says the fact.
on this case,
From
this on the record.
the Bar Association, it said that it is not a licensed agent. So if you got a bar practice without a license,
So now he's saying the Bar Association isn't a licensed agency? Like, see, I knew that. And I didn't see this video beforehand, but I just had a feeling he was just going to fall back into the sovereign citizen ridiculous arguments. Like, really, just kick him out at this point, Judge. He's not making any actual attempt at a real argument. He's just spewing utter nonsense.
Which the Constitution of the United States and the state.
Sir, I'm not gonna listen to that.
No state,
Nope.
no cities, no townships, municipalities, can take all contrary to
Nope,
the highest law of the land. Now, for that to be placed on the record,
it's placed on it. Now, you're done. The defendant is charged with a retail fraud. All the elements were met in this matter for retail fraud first degree. The testimony clearly established that the defendant took property of the store that was offered for sale. It showed by way of testimony that he took property off the shelf in a random manner. All the testimony was all the same things without looking really at the prices or the tags, it seemed like. That he moved the property, well, he put it in a basket and walked all around the store from one side to the other. Third, he intended to steal. That's a question of fact. As to whether or not he intended to permanently deprive the store without the store's consent. However, it was clear from the video shown that he walked from one entrance to the other entrance without paying for anything and was attempting to push his cart through the entrance when he was stopped by loss prevention from doing so. That's the question of fact as to why he was doing it with the intent to permanently deprive or not. And this really happened inside the store while it was open to the public and without the consent of Meyer. The items were tallied up by loss prevention and came to $207.12. So clearly, that's enough to satisfy the court that the retail fraud did occur. And of course, there was an allegation that he apparently had a prior conviction, April 17, 1989. For retail fraud first degree in the Sixth Circuit Court. So that's the sentencing issue, and that's enough to bind it over on the first degree and continue to bond. Mr. Shockley, here is your exhibit back. His bond is continued. Make sure you get a license to practice law, please.
Don't present doctored video. Video's been doctored and altered. Oh my God.
All right, so that was entertaining to say the least. Man, I mean, some slow parts in that video, but definitely worth watching. And that was mainly what I had planned for today, because I knew the video was over an hour long, so. But, like I said earlier, Van posted a new video, and he put the link to the original video. So I guess we can check that out as well. But before we do, I noticed that my audio might be slightly out of sync, so I'm just going to reset my streaming software real quick. Be right back. All right, that should fix that issue. And yeah, let's bring up this video. I haven't seen this video yet either. But let's see. Let me just bring it up here. Now share the screen. Let's see. So all I know about this video is apparently this is a sovereign citizen dealing with TSA at an airport. Let's roll the video.
I have the constitutional right to travel,
Of course. Yes.
and I also have the constitutional right to be free of unreasonable search and seizure. And I am
Oh, boy.
66 years old. I'm
Ma'am, you're 66. You're way too old to be doing this sovereign citizen BS. Like, really, you have the right to travel, but if you're gonna go travel by a plane, you have to go through TSA screening just like everyone else has to. Like seriously, especially after, 9/11. everybody goes through TSA. Even pilots do. Like, you're not special.
Never been arrested, never been charged. I don't have any vices other than a cup of coffee, and I don't agree to being sexually groped or raising my hands like a criminal to be scanned naked in order to exercise my rights. So I thought I'd tell you that, and I'd like to go to Florida today with my ticket. Here's my boarding pass.
Right?
So if you are okay with me.
I mean, she's making this a bigger deal than it really has to be. Like, hell, I've flown a couple of times, and really, all they've ever done is just go through the body scanner, which takes less than 10 seconds, and that's it. Like, you would have already been through security right now, and instead of arguing with the agent. And the agent doesn't make the rules. He can't change anything about this. They say it's a shame that you can't have youth and wisdom simultaneously. That youth wasted on the young, but what's truly tragic is those who are old without wisdom, like this character. Well said, Ben. Well said. Hey, Wixom. Good to see you. Welcome into this last minute stream, unplanned stream. And my guess is she is not flying today.
Getting on the plane without those violations, we're good. If not, I should get your name and all that and remind you.
All right, so we don't seize anything. If you have something in your bag, you are free to take it out, or you are free to surrender it to us. So we do not seize anything. All right.
Well, I mean, well,
you have a right to come back out and take your item back out and do what you need to do with it.
oh boy, I don't think I have anything that you would seize.
Perfect.
I don't even have a thing
we
of
don't
water.
seize.
Well, I know that I've had a fresh bottle of water taken as if it is a hazardous material, and
Right.
it most certainly is not.
Right, but you had the option to take that water out. You didn't have or surrender it to us. That's the way.
Like, really? And what I don't get, why even bring water to the airport in the first place? I mean, after you clear the TSA, you can go buy water to take on the plane. I've done it myself before. Like, she's making this a bigger deal than it needs to be as well. Hey, Connie H, good to see you. Welcome in. Hey, Adam, good to see you as well. And if you're just joining us, be sure to go back afterwards and watch the Sovereign Citizen in Court, because that was amusing. And right now, if you're just joining us, this is a sovereign citizen arguing with a TSA agent.
It works. We
Well-
don't seize anything.
Well, I don't think we're going to have that issue today since I
Good.
don't have any water.
Excellent.
But if I did, that will be an added thing that we
Yeah.
deal with. But
So-
because that actually comes under piracy.
Well, it doesn't, because you have the option to go back out and you
Well-
take your item with you.
Let's leave the invisible bottle of water aside.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's
So
see.
just to let you know, if you have to come back through this point, you either have to go through our full body scanner or you have to receive a full body pat down. So
Let's see. Okay. So I have a pen.
what do you have?
Oh man, you guys just saw all that BS paperwork she has printed. Guarantee you that is nothing but sovereign citizen BS.
I have a pen.
A pen? Okay.
A pen, and I'm going to get it out. And this is about my constitutionally protected right to travel, and I hereby invoke and refuse to waive all unalienable rights as instructed by United States Constitution and Bill of Rights and the Constitution of any one of the several states, and every government public servant is bound by oath to uphold and protect. You understand that, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, do you have a warrant to search me?
We search people via it's called a administrative search. So it's like coming up to, we're looking for specific things. If you don't find those things, you're good to go. It's almost like coming up to a DUI checkpoint. They're under the same amendment.
Yes,
So-
but they've I don't,
So
as I said,
everything is
I said,
posted out here before you come in.
I don't have,
So-
I don't have a drinking problem. I've never come up to a
Okay,
DUI.
that's fine. But
I
we
do.
we don't take people's words on it. We have to make sure before somebody gets on the plane, unfortunately.
Well,
So-
why don't you?
Because that would be kind of not a good idea in our
Because a lot of people lie. That's why they don't take people's words on that.
profession. If
Very
we had to
simple.
take everybody's word that I'm fine, yeah.
Well, let's look back at the reason why TSA
Yes.
was begun.
Right.
It was begun because of the 9/11 Commission, the recommendations, right?
Yes, definitely.
So let's look at those recommendations.
So what exactly don't you want to do? You don't want to...
I don't want to be filled up, and I don't want to raise my arms and be looked at naked. In order
No.
to
They don't look at you naked. Like, where she got that from? Like, really, it's very simple, lady. Either you comply with TSA, either go through the body scan or get a pat down, or just turn around and go home. Like, really, nobody's forcing you to go through TSA. Although, like Legal Fiction pointed out, when you bought your ticket, you agreed to the screening by security. And yeah, that's also a good question. Since when does anyone have the right to travel on a private airline? Great question, Gary. They don't, and they can be refused service at any time.
We don't see anything at all. There's just a puff person there. I can show it to you after if you go through our machine. It's not, we don't see it under the
I don't
clothes.
see any reason why I should be raising my hands like I'm a criminal when I'm not. I'm an upstanding citizen, have been for 66 years, and intend to be
Yeah,
for
okay.
the rest of my life. And I also intend to uphold the law.
Would you feel better getting a pat down at all?
No,
if
I
you don't
feel
wanna?
sexually assaulted. I've done it before. It's uncomfortable.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm just I came ahead of time,
Okay.
and I guess the first stage is to get your name and badge number and to ask you these questions.
Yeah,
I
I'll
didn't.
get my manager out here.
Oh, you aren't the manager?
Yeah. Would you mind waiting?
No, I thought you were the manager.
No, I'm the supervisor. But
Well,
I'll get a
Super's
manager.
pretty good.
I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you so much. Are you?
Like, why even entertain this? I mean, it must be a slow morning or something. There's no reason to get the manager. There really isn't. Either go through security or not, or go home. Well, you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here, basically.
Are you the manager, dear? Emily Payton, I hope so. I'd like to, first of all, may I get your name? I'll tell you what I'm writing in. I'm writing your name, your badge number, and your jurisdiction.
I don't think TSA agents have badge numbers, but maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, Robbie turned into an old lady. I remember Robbie. That was an old classic soft sit who was basically arguing the same crap as this lady. He didn't want to go through the screenings, and eventually security kicked him out. The TSA kicked him out, and I think he got arrested for trespassing, if I remember correctly, because he refused to leave the airport.
What are you looking for, ma'am?
Oh, I'm looking to travel
Okay.
with my inherent right to travel, to
Okay.
be free of search and seizure. As I explained, is it Gary? Carl, sorry.
No problem.
Carl, I have been traveling the past few years. I am 66 years old. I've never been arrested, never been convicted, never been charged.
What does that have to do with you traveling today, man?
It absolutely does do with my reputation and my right to travel without unlawful search, without a warrant. So I would like very much to get on my plane without being sexually assaulted and without having to assume a position of criminality with my arms over my head for you to look at me naked through a scanner. So
We don't look at you naked through a scanner, but unfortunately you won't be able to come through security if you're not screened.
Well, I realize you would say that. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to get your...
You want my information?
Yes, please, and I'd like to put you on notice. Your name is...
Yeah, I wonder where this airport is. If they tried this in Atlanta, she would have been thrown out already. They don't have any time for this with the number of passengers they handle every day. And I guarantee you that would be the same case at Boston's Logan Airport. I mean, thousands of people go through that airport every day. They definitely wouldn't have the time to deal with this nonsense.
So it's your first name is Jamil?
Right there, man.
J-A...
I mean, according to the title of the video, it's 5 in the morning, and there doesn't seem to be that many people around, so I'm guessing this is probably one of the smaller airports, and not like a big one in a major city.
A-M-I-L? Davis Fennel? Is that right?
Fennell.
Okay. So what's your last name?
Davis Fennell, as it's written, man.
Okay, thank you. I didn't. Okay, your badge number, please.
It's on the badge, man. You just have to read it.
Where's the number?
Right there, man.
I'd have to see it closer. Could you read it to me, please?
Can you read my badge number, man?
Not easily. The reflection's going all funny, so if you could tell me I put the right one in.
I give you my name. Is there anything else I can do for you, man?
Yes, I'd like your badge number,
And I
please.
gave you my name, man.
Aren't I permitted to have your badge number?
No, ma'am, I gave you my name. That's sufficient. If you need further information when you file your complaint, you can give them my name.
Okay, let's see. Should you choose not to complete this form, be advised this matter may proceed to adjudication. What's your jurisdiction?
As far as
What's your jurisdiction? That's the question.
my jurisdiction,
Yep.
well, I am a security manager here at Bradley, if that's what you're asking for.
Okay. That's not exactly what I'm asking, but we're at Bradley. And let's see, do you agree that by your agency oath, you are to uphold and defend the Constitution?
Ma'am,
Wait,
would you like
don't
to go
even...
through the security
Please don't
process or
interrupt
not?
me.
Because I have other things I need to
Yeah,
attend
well,
to.
I need to uphold my own.
Well, like, really, at this point, just kick her out. She doesn't have the right to travel on a private airline, and she's refusing to comply with TSA. Just kick her out already. Seriously. Hey, William, welcome in. Yeah, this was basically a last-minute decision stream today. Wasn't planning on going live, but found a few interesting videos. Good to see you, my friend.
Right, so please let me
Okay, well,
finish.
can we do that outside the screening area? Because I have passengers coming in. So if you're not
Just
going to
let me
come through,
finish this
I would like
sentence,
you
please.
to step out this
Please
way.
don't interrupt me for this one sentence, and that will be civil, and then
If
I
you
will
would
be
like
civil
to
with
walk
you.
out, I will come you to an area where we're not around other people, so we can have a little bit of privacy. So would
I
you
don't
mind
need
if we
to.
step out
I'm.
this way?
This is all about privacy. So let me just finish this, and then I'll give you this part, and then. So what I wanted to ask you is, do you agree that by your agency oath you are to uphold and defend the Constitution for the United States of America?
TSA agent, please stop indulging and engaging in this nonsense, because that's all it is. It's all just sovereign citizen BS. Just give her a trespassing warning at this point, and when she refuses to leave, have the police arrest her. This is so simple. It's clear she's not going to comply with the rules and regulations of TSA like every single person has to.
Yes or no? Check one,
Ma'am, I'm not
please.
signing your form.
Okay.
So would you like to go through the security checkpoint or not? Because if not, I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
Well, here, this is for you.
I'm all set in the documentation, but thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, so you refused. So refused. Okay. So, are you going to prohibit my right to travel without being
I'm going
sexually
to encourage
assaulted?
you to go through our security process as your Fourth Amendment right is. If you choose not to go through, then I cannot permit you through the security checkpoint.
Yes, William, this is a sovereign citizen arguing with TSA because she doesn't want to go through the body scanner at the TSA checkpoint. And she's claiming she has the right to travel, even though all the airlines are private.
Do you know the Constitution about the Fourth Amendment rights? I would like to travel.
Then I would encourage you to go through the screening procedures with the drop your boarding pass, ma'am.
Okay, the Fourth Amendment is the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable search and seizures, and without any warrants. So you don't have a warrant to search me, right?
Correct.
But you're not going to allow me to get on without searching me, right?
There is no search, ma'am. You haven't been touched. You haven't been screened.
Well, without...
There's no guarantee that you will be searched or you will be screened. You're going through the same screening procedures that everybody else would be going through, ma'am, in order to safely travel to your destination.
Just because...
If you are refusing to go through screening, which it sounds like you are, then unfortunately I will not be able to allow you to come through the security checkpoint.
Well, what I would...
There are other means of travel that are less evasive if you would like to try those other means.
Let me just say one thing, and I do intend to get on my plane, even if you put me through sexual assault to do it.
Well, nobody will be sexually assaulting you at this airport, so...
Well, if I touched you in your privates, you would say I did.
Well, there would be no touching because it's a gender, and I'm not a female, so I would not be touching you, nor would you be touching me, because I assume that you are not a male. Therefore, you are not trained in the TSA screening procedures. It's an administrative search. So,
well, it's still a violation of the Fourth Amendment. It absolutely is if you don't have a warrant.
would you like to go through, ma'am, or are you declining screening?
No, I need to get on my plane.
Okay, so can I encourage you to place your property into the bin so it can be screened for X-ray, and then you can proceed over to the scanner?
Yes, and I will be taking the names of whoever is going to be stroking me because it's interfering with my right to travel, and I will be following through with a claim.
Understood. Would you like to go proceed to printing yourself?
Yeah, okay, lady. So basically, you're saying you're gonna sue the TSA. Good luck with that one. That's gonna get laughed right out of court at the first hearing, I bet. You have no case.
Up to the X-ray, ma'am.
As a second,
remove the camera as well, just so you're aware of that before you go through screening. So I'm just giving you a heads up.
I understand you want me to remove a lot of things. Do we get to keep our shoes on now?
Yes, ma'am, as long as they don't alarm. However, if your shoes do alarm the advanced screening imagery, they may be asked to be removed. So I'm just giving you a heads up.
So you are additionally gathering biometric data?
Ma'am, you're going through an imaging. If you would like to proceed, I need you.
Oh boy, she's one of those nuts. Should have seen that one coming.
No, I'm not going to raise my hands like a criminal.
Are you requesting a pat down? Is that what you're requesting? Because that is the only other alternative.
I understand that. I understand that. But both of them are violations. We'll take the latter.
All right. Which would you like to do?
The latter.
All right. Can you please go get in line with the other passengers and place your stuff through the X-ray?
Well, thank you very much, and we'll pick this up on the other side.
Possibly, but I can't guarantee that. Have a good day.
Well, I can guarantee you that I'm going to follow through with this. Government's gotten out of the box too far. Did you know that the 9/11 Commission does not recommend doing this to Americans? if you go into the recommendations, they actually only recommend screening foreign people.
Well, that's completely wrong. And lady, this has basically been like this, the TSA, for the last 23 or 24 years now. This isn't something new that just popped up yesterday. Don't know why you're so surprised that they screen people at TSA.
And if you're not going to get your screening, we're going to need you to step out, okay? Thank you, dear, for reminding me. I just was sharing with this gentleman, if you go and search the 9/11 recommendations, nowhere in there does it say to treat American citizens as if they are criminals. It specifically speaks of foreigners and Muslims, and in fact on the 41 recommendations, points 17 and 18 are about respecting civil liberties. And this is a right. So I just felt like we need to start standing up for our rights. So I can't shut this very easily. Yes. Thank you, dear. And here, if you like, you can lift it up because it's super heavy.
Watch out.
Yeah.
I'll get you some bins as soon as they're ready.
Okay, thank you very much, Paul. Appreciate meeting you this morning.
So nothing in your pockets,
too.
right?
So you're going to put your bag in here. If you need help lifting it, just let me know.
Thank you.
Down, okay?
And if you'd be so kind, your jacket, and empty your pockets, please.
And you'll go with your
You can put the jacket in there.
Yes, I don't want to take out everything from my
Oh yeah,
pockets if
don't.
I
Just
don't
put
have
the whole
to.
jacket in there. That'd be easier. And your pockets are empty if you have any.
I do not.
All right.
And let's see. Walk with this?
You can hold it in your hand if you want, or you can put it in your bag. You don't really need to show it to us.
Okay. We've got more to do now. I was really hoping I could get my way
What do
through.
you have in your in the shirt here?
Oh, this is filming you.
I know, but that's going to show up as an anomaly. I'm going to let you know right now if you go through the full body scanner.
I'm not going through the full body scanner.
Are you getting a pat down or?
Well, that's the only other option. I don't.
Okay.
I prefer neither, but we've made that clear already.
Right.
come around.
So,
But it's your choice, so you have to pick one of them.
I mean, at this point, it's clear she's going to give, the agents a hard time like she's been doing. Just refuse her service. Seriously. Kick her out.
We don't.
there's three choices. I didn't get to pick the one that was my right.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, if you're traveling, we have to screen you.
That's your job, but it's you ought not to be violating the Constitution to do it. It's up to us to hold up the Constitution. I understand you got a family to feed, but
I understand. So they're gonna pat that area down because there's something there. They'll probably ask you to remove it so they can see what it is.
that's all right.
Just to let you know.
All right, and then they can look right in it, and I'll say
Okay.
smile. Oh, hello.
Hi, good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Brenda. How are you?
Brenda, good. I would like to get your name and badge number, if I may.
Like,
Brenda-
really, seriously, at this point, I mean, it could be considered harassment what she's doing. She's basically harassing these employees who are just doing their jobs. They did not make the rules, these rules. The government did. Your issue, lady, is with the government, not these agents who are just trying to do their jobs and go about their day.
Indeed. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I can. Where would you like to go?
Well, first of all, I need your shoes off because you're going to get patted down, so I need to have your shoes off for the pat down, correct?
I thought shoes were allowed lately.
Well, they are unless you opt out of the equipment right here, and then I'll be patting you down. So in order to do the pat down, the shoes are required to be off.
Why is that? I've never gotten patted in on my shoes before.
No?
No, not.
Do you need a chair? Are you all set?
My shoes have never been part of a pat down.
She's willing to take it out once. Look at it.
This is, I have the constitutional right to travel without, if you had a warrant for my search, that would be fine, but you don't.
So the camera too has to go through the X-ray.
I'll give it to this gentleman.
Okay.
Here, you can carry it through, but I don't want it to be, I don't know what the thing could do.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
We just get it by hand. I'll take it. Do a hand check on it, all right?
Don't undo it.
No.
Let it be.
You like to
Yeah, and I just want you to know your name is Steve. What's your first name?
Brenda.
Brenda Steve. Thank you. I consider this a sexual assault, but I need to travel.
All right, we're gonna send your stuff through, okay? If you want to watch it.
Just look at that very thoroughly.
Yep.
And I just want to point out that so far, she has wasted 18 minutes, not only her time, but the time of the TSA agents. I mean, she could have just complied like everyone else and have probably gone through TSA in probably 2 minutes or less. I mean, such a waste of time.
Morning. How are you? Good. Yeah. Only good.
Sorry.
It's all set ready for you when you're ready.
What I want you to do.
I would say, yes, she probably does think that, Connie. Yeah, they're being way too patient with this moron. I agree with some.
Just hold that for us. Thank you so much.
All right. So I'm gonna explain to you guys what's okay that I have to do. So I'm gonna be patting down your clothed area if you like. I can do it here, or we can go to private screening with another female officer. If you want to do it here.
I'm not ashamed. I think you ought to be doing this because it's a violation of my rights.
Okay.
And your name is Brenda Steve. I will inform you that I'm going to carry this through with a complaint because I believe in our Constitution and I believe our rights are very.
They don't care about your complaint, lady. It's been ruled that this is constitutional. Otherwise, they wouldn't be here doing these screen-ins. Like, you're not special. You don't get special treatment. What do you not understand about that?
Clearly stated that, as I told Gary and I told Mr. Fennell, that I have never been charged with extortion.
You guys want to film this?
I've never been.
So you guys want to film
I have
this?
the right to travel. We don't have a warrant to search me, but we know that we're in this big cumber, you know what, of government. So
I'm gonna do my job, and I'm just gonna confirm again that we'll do it here, not private screening. I'm gonna touch in every part of the clothed area, back of my hand on the breast area of your shoes. When it comes to the collar and the waistband, I'm gonna intentionally pulling it all the way around. When it comes to the drawing area, one hand on the top of your chin hip, all the way for resistance and all the way down. Do you have any medical devices, exterior or interior, that you need to know about? No? Any parts of the body that are sensitive?
no.
Anything else you want to disclose to me before we begin?
Yes. I'd like you to begin to realize that our Constitution is the highest thing of the land, and you are bound by oath
I did
to
take
respect and look up the 9/11 Commission's recommendations, because in it
it's a very interesting read.
Have you read that whole thing? Oh, good. Because you know that it's not the Americans that they're concerned about.
And once again, you're making this argument to the wrong people. Go take it up with your government, your lawmakers, the people who put these measures in place. Stop being angry at the TSA agents who are just doing their job.
Clear all the way to your left, please, all the way down. Arms up, just like this, okay? I'm gonna start from the back.
No.
Welcome back, Erica. Hey, Sally. Welcome back.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna lift your shirt just a little bit, looking for that waistband. And then I'm gonna be pulling it just a little bit away from the body, pushing it all the way around. Down for you, here's the buttocks. Widen your skin up a little bit for me. Thank you.
If I came up and did this to anybody, I would be charged with assault.
Right there.
Okay, right up to the gate. And do you know that Americans are not the ones that are being endangering the flights?
Yeah.
Except for after you allow a lot of people in the country without.
Huh? Yes.
It's been a pleasure meeting you,
You
Carl.
too. Have a good trip.
Yes.
Hopefully it's uneventful from here on in.
All right, hon, you're all set with me.
Thank you. What did I tell you?
I know.
I am an upright citizen. I did not deserve.
So the screening is over, but there's still like another 11 minutes or so left in this video. She's going to continue to argue with these agents. Are you kidding me? Seriously, at some point they just got to say screw it and kick her out.
To be.
It looks like one of her bags.
Yeah, I'm missing one.
Right over here. You want to come over here? Watch them.
Mm-hmm.
Is this your bag?
That is my bag.
I gotta take a quick look inside, okay? Anything
Just-
sharp or dangerous?
No, be careful of the eggs.
Okay.
There's a dozen eggs from my chickens in that bag.
Alright, as I'm doing the search, I would like for you not to reach over, okay? You can have that. Alright, so this is too big to come through. It's over 3.4 ounces.
But it is not a hazardous. You would agree it's not a hazardous
It
material?
doesn't matter. You should have, looked up what you're allowed to bring before you came to the airport. You're not special and you're not going to get special treatment. Oh my God.
I don't actually know.
You're saying that
over 3.4
that's a closed tube, unopened, of Tom's toothpaste.
Okay, that's what it appears to be. I don't actually know. It's over 3.4 ounces. It's under the LGA, liquids, gels, aerosol.
Yes,
It's
let's
not
look.
allowed to go.
Can we look at that clause right there, please? Because I was looking at that and I noticed on that clause Incidentally, here's our amendment, that you should know. Let's see, where's that clause? Right here.
Lady, this is TSA, not some debate about the laws. The officer shouldn't debate this crap with you. Seriously.
It says hazardous materials include explosives, compressed gases, flammable liquids, solids, oxidizer, poisons, corrosives, and radioactive materials. Example, paints, lighter fluid, fireworks, tear gases, oxygen bottles, and radiopharmaceuticals.
Yes, but any liquid, gel, or aerosol that is over 3.4 ounces is not able to come through the checkpoint. So if you want to keep it, you have to go out and check your bag with the airline. You can go put it in a car. If your car's out front, you can go give it to someone that's not traveling, or you can put it in your check baggage.
But my question is, are you saying that a new tube of Tom's toothpaste is...
Well, we don't know it's a new tube. It appears to be.
Well, then you can check out that it's a new
the
tube.
rules are you have to go out and check the bag. You can go give it to someone not traveling. You can go put it in your car. If not, it cannot come through the checkpoint.
But if I go, I have to go through this whole thing again.
Yes, that is one of the options.
But let me look at this. It says there are special... Excuse me, don't interrupt me, please.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay? I mean, it's hard enough. Let's try to be civil.
I'm being very civil. I give you your options. Your option is to go check the bag,
Yeah.
go put it in your car.
Well, I'm going to write your name down, please, if I may.
You may.
Kick her out already. It's clear all she wants to do is argue. Why are they being so accommodating to her? Like, seriously, I would not have the patience for this. I probably would have kicked her out within the first 5 minutes of this video.
What you're doing is, number one, you're doing an example of piracy. Where's my thing? Because you are taking something that is obviously not hazardous.
Anything.
Sure you are. You're seizing it from me. I am not free to go on the plane unless you seize something that I have. And there's nothing that I have that is endangering anybody. That is a brand new box of Tom's.
At this point, you're interrupting the screening process.
Well, I can move this over. I'm looking for.
Abandon your item.
Excuse me. I'm looking for my pen.
I can offer you a pen if you'd like.
Oh, wonderful. Please do.
Your options. What would you like to do with your item?
I'd like to write down his name, please.
In the meantime, ma'am, what would you like
Can
to
I
do with
have
the
that
item?
pen?
Can you let them know what would you like to do with the item, and I will gladly give you his name. You can either voluntarily
Amari.
abandon your
Well,
item.
I've got a
or you
pen
can
over
go
here.
back out and check it, mail it back to yourself, or put it in a car, or give it to somebody not traveling. What would you like to do, ma'am?
Well, obviously you guys are seizing it.
Once again, we're not seizing it because we're giving you the options.
Are you voluntarily abandoning your item?
You are, in order for me to continue on my travels, you are seizing a brand new thing of toothpaste, which is, don't overtalk me. That's a really violent thing to do, to overtalk me. Are you
Over talking someone is violent now? Really? And how old did this person say she was? What was it, 66? Really? Oh man. It's kind of sad, actually.
dominating? Is that your thing? Because I'm into civility, where we listen to one another.
I'm happy for you, ma'am. Can you just let the officer know what you would like to do so we can continue on with the process and let you go about your flight?
It's Amari, and this was, you wouldn't take your paperwork, would you? You refused that?
Ma'am, are you voluntarily abandoning your item? Or would you like to go back out and check it or put it in a car and give it to somebody not traveling?
And your name is Amari. Amari. Do you have a badge number? What number is that?
33612.
33612. 3612. We're at Bradley, and you are supervisory. You know what I would like to do with my item, dear. You're the one who's not happy with me having it, not me. I have told you. I have told you.
Mail it, or you going back out to put it in a car.
I'm going to take all the belongings that you will allow me to travel with,
So therefore,
absent
you
the
are
ones.
voluntarily abandoning your oversized.
Thank you, Sally Port, for the $10 super chat. Thank you, Mark and chat. Thank you, Sally. I do appreciate that. Thank you very much.
So please hand me all the items that you are willing to let me travel with, and we'll be on my
We're
way.
not taking any item from you. You are going to voluntarily abandon it. You're going to go put it in your car. You can give it to someone not traveling, or you can mail it to yourself with the program that we have out there.
What option would you like to choose, ma'am?
I've made myself clear. I am intending to travel with everything that you allow me to get on the plane with. So go ahead and do your part. So there are my pennies.
Going to voluntarily abandon it, so if there's nothing further, we would like to.
Well, that's a little bit of a stretch, but.
You want to close up your items, or you want me to do it for you?
There's the eggs there. Do you want me to try to close it over here? What?
Right over here.
Okay, let me get on my shoes. And it's not okay to put words in my mouth. Because at no time did I say voluntarily. You did. Not
So
me.
do you want to go out and check the bag?
Excuse me?
Do you want to go out and check the bag with the airline?
And thank you to Wixom for the $10 super chat. I cut my bike ride short to join ya. Thank you, Erica, for the heads up, and thank you, Mark, for the stream. Thank you, Wixom. Yeah, last minute today. Wasn't sure if I was going to stream or not, but sometimes these streams just happen. Thank you.
Let's see, can we? That's not, I don't get enough leverage there with that.
Whichever you prefer, William, it doesn't matter to me. But yeah, YouTube, they take 30%, I think, and PayPal doesn't really take anything.
Let's see, I just wanted to. Oops, sorry. That belongs to you.
No, that belongs to you. It fell on the floor.
Well, I meant to hand it to you.
I'm picking it up for you.
Okay, I'm going to hand it to you. And just for the record, I did not. This is for all of you?
We don't accept gifts, thank you though.
But you did relieve me of my property. Under coercion and threat. So, have a wonderful day, Brenda.
You too, have a blessed day.
It's a lot of work to get this country back to the Constitution. There is only 18 directives that the Congress have.
Again, go take it up with Congress, lady. They're just there to enforce the laws. They didn't make them.
1 through 18. The rest is out of the box. Thank you so much. Young man, I know it takes patience not to interrupt, but it's so helpful not to.
Indeed. It also nice when you respond to a question that's being asked to you, but I see where we stand. So I hope you enjoy your flight. Be safe.
Thank you.
Safe travels.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Don't forget your paper.
That's yours. You've been served.
You've been served. Final remarks. Oh man, you've been served. Lady, you're just gonna take that piece of paper and throw it in the garbage as soon as you leave. I mean, the Supreme Court has deemed everything that just happened constitutional. You don't have any case. But please try suing. And be sure to record that too. Oh man, how dumb can these people, these sovereign citizens be? Really just blows my mind. So that's all these sovereign citizens we have, at least today, that I know of. But I guess we could do a few body cam videos since we're already here. So let's see, I think I have one already queued up. And I've been working on the video list for the Monday stream as well. And the Monday stream looks like it's going to be a good one, featuring a few possible police impersonators. So this video is Florida man runs from cops and regrets it. Fort Myers, Florida, June 3rd, 2025.
Put some stupid shit back there. You okay, buddy? What the hell are we doing, man? Get your face out of the dirt. Get your face out of the dirt. Come on. Roll over. Roll over. Put your feet up. Put your foot up.
It's over now.
Hey, listen. Stop. Stop.
Nothing you can say matters.
Well, no shit, but I'm trying to get you up, so move.
I'll get up.
Get up. All right, stop moving. Stop. I can smell this car from my car because you're driving so fast. All right, you blew past me back there at about 60 miles an hour at least in a 45 mile per hour zone. So my question for you, and I'm Officer Martins, I work for the Fort Myers Police Department's traffic unit, is what in God's name are you doing going that fast on this road with this much traffic? What could possibly be worth risking your life, and let me finish, and the lives of everybody else in this roadway right now, that you're flying by me at Mach Jesus? All right, because it ain't looking so good. So what's your reason?
I've no reason.
Okay, then what the hell are you doing 65 down my road? All right, license, registration, insurance card, please. Do you have a license at all? Then what the hell are you doing driving? Jesus Christ. All right, we'll work through it. You have anything on you's got your identification, picture, anything government issued?
Not, sir.
Step out the car, boss. You got any weapons on you?
I'm not in.
All right, step out the car. Hey, put in park. Come on, one thing at a time. Put in park.
Well, he just escalated it. Boy, like really, running from the officer is not going to end well.
All right, well, he just took off on me. So
I just love how casual the officers. Yeah, guys, yeah, he just ran. Go get it. Let's go get him.
Male driver didn't identify himself, doesn't have a license, multiple tattoos. He's headed northbound on De Leon. That's Tango 9, by the way.
Copy. What are you off in the car?
I don't even see him anymore. I just pulled on to De Leon. It looks like he might be at Winkler. It's got a black car. Turning left, I think, at Winkler. What's up, buddy?
Made a right in the school.
In the school?
In the right there where that yellow sign is, you cut right.
Okay. Passerby on De Leon here said he made a right, maybe into the school or that area, so I'll be checking the area. It's a black Camry with a current registration. It's a white male driver wearing a black shirt, shortcut hair, multiple tattoos on his arm. On his left, he has a marijuana leaf tattoo. I got him at the church over here, window down. The car looks to be unoccupied.
Payment ID on the channel.
Not at the moment.
Second.
Car's unoccupied if you look at my GPS position.
Area the church next to the school.
Yeah, 10-4. It's the Wesley Community Church, I believe. I'm going to stop in the front office to see if my friend is in here.
Got it.
You can hear me or see me, get your ass over here. It'll make it worse than it's going to be. You fled from a law enforcement officer, it's a felony. I'll put a dog on the ground and track your ass. You don't want to get bit, just come on out.
This cop is awesome. Hey Ziggy, good to see you. I don't remember if I already said hi to you, but in case I didn't, welcome in.
I left the key on the seat. That's nice of him. Hey, come here. Get your ass over here now. Tango 9, I'm out with him. Get over here now. You're at gunpoint. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now, you're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back.
Like, seriously, so he fled from the car, but didn't really go anywhere? Like, so he had no plan whatsoever. Like, if you're gonna run, at least commit to running. Criminals, these criminals are idiots.
Put your hands behind your back. Relax. Put your hands behind your back. Thank you, sir. How about we fucking comply when I tell you the first time? Come here.
Single one. Show one, just hang.
Stop.
I'll be out with him.
That was some stupid shit back there.
You okay, buddy?
What the hell are we doing, man? Get your face out of the dirt. Get your face out of the dirt. Come on. Roll it.
Oh, here we go. Here we go, everyone. The waterworks. Of course, and I'm sure it's going to be everybody else's fault but his, right?
Roll over. Put your feet up. Put your foot up.
It's over now.
Hey, listen, stop. Stop.
Nothing you can say matters.
Well, no shit, but I'm trying to get you up, so move.
I'll get up.
Get up. All right, stop moving. Stop. Any weapons on you? Okay. We can work through everything, but dude, you can't. No. I can work through a lot that you don't have a license, but when you fucking take off on me, I can't work through a lot of that. Okay?
It's over. It's over.
It's not over. But
you wouldn't have been able to work
limiting your options. Let's move. Come on.
Yeah, like the way he's acting, I mean, unless he has something like warrants or something, he's being completely overdramatic. Hey, Nuttin Bougie, good to see you. I swear, I'm gonna butcher that name every single time, and I apologize. But good to see you, my friend. Welcome in.
You're limiting your options by doing stupid shit like that.
Options were never open.
Oh, come on, man. You don't know me from Adam. You just met me. I'm the most patient guy you're ever going to find.
I don't know any cops, but I'm driving without a license.
So
I'm an idiot.
Dude, it's at worst a misdemeanor.
Yeah, you turned a misdemeanor into now a felony. And I have the perfect clip for this guy.
See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out.
Very well said. The more you F around, the more you're going to find out.
Come to my car.
It still matters. I'm never going to be able to get my license.
Oh my God, you're fine.
No, I'm not.
Did you kill anybody today?
No, but it doesn't
all right,
matter.
you get a license.
It doesn't matter. No,
Chill.
Did you say Edgewood or Orangewood?
All right. Spread your feet. Yes, sir. You got them for a second?
Yes.
All right.
You got
I'm gonna search them.
Copy that.
I appreciate you.
And I'm taking one at SRO1. There's no people walking on the school. We got the individual detained at this time.
He was the only one in the car, so no one's outstanding.
Sure.
What's your name, boss? What's your first name?
Michael.
My name's Kyle. My first name, my last name is Martins. You can call me Kyle.
Okay.
All right, Michael.
Yes, sir.
Anything I just gonna poke or stick me, prod me, nothing like that? Okay. You on probation or something, or what's the deal?
No, sir.
So why do you think your life is over?
I was doing good.
You were doing good. So that means we have a history, yeah?
Yep. That's exactly what that means. And depending on his past convictions, I mean, he could be looking at some serious jail time now. Dude, you have no one to blame but yourself for this. You decided to flee from the officer while running a red light. Like, really. Stupid, idiotic move.
Okay. All right. Yeah. What's very bad? Murder somebody or what? That ain't very bad.
It's just a whole bunch of little bullshit every day.
All right, little bullshit's okay, brother.
No, it isn't. No.
Michael, look at me.
Bro, no bullshit.
Little bullshit? I know what
Locked
adds
up here, it's all added up
yeah.
my whole life. I've been locked up my whole fucking life.
I know. What the hell is this?
It's not okay.
Is that a charger?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Come on, spread your feet. Thank you. Stay like that, stay like that. You go. We're gonna have a seat. I appreciate you coming back out.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
Yes, sir.
I would have gone the other way, but all right.
Like 4 up here, I'll say.
Shot the alarm for our housing
I'm not wearing with something there.
25 May.
You can plug it in. Yeah, like you just yeah, thank you.
Give me 1 second though. I gotta.
Sir.
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Angle towards me. I'll double lock those cuffs.
Yes, sir.
Angle towards me. Hang on.
Yes.
Sit back.
Copy.
Is that his son? Is that your son or who is that?
Yes, it's my son.
That's your son? Where's mom?
That work.
He wasn't in the car.
No.
Where'd he come from?
I was meeting someone to pick him up.
Towards the fire at the street.
Okay, where were you meeting?
On Colonial.
Here.
You were meeting at the church?
Yes.
Where were you meeting?
Oh, they still there, huh?
The aunt.
Fire in
He's
the
meeting the aunt to
parking
get the
lot.
kid.
So she just left this kid here with me?
I think they were meeting here to pick up the kids.
I know. Where is she at? There's no way she could have took off.
What's the aunt's name? Huh? What's the aunt's name?
3-4. I saw them drink. We're going to clear. We'll be on the side.
No.
Michael, come on.
Units heading to the fire. The multi-person on
I'm
hold.
trying to get the sand out of your face.
No, you don't care about the sand on my face.
Look at me.
Bro, who cares about the sand on my face?
I care.
Why?
Well, for one thing, you're my care in custody. So if you go to the friggin' hospital with an eye scratch, it's my ass.
No, it isn't.
Put your head back, close your eyes. Put your head back, close your eyes. Come here. Put your head back. I can
No, I'm not doing this.
Jesus, come on.
I'm not doing this.
You're acting like a
I'm
child.
not doing this. You're treating me like a child.
Because you're acting like one.
Yep, I think it's safe to say man card is revoked.
Peril in my face. No.
Dude,
Just
trying to get
stop.
the dirt out of
Dude,
your
just
eyes.
stop. I'm
Okay.
straight. Thank you.
Okay, so am I. But I don't want you to have any sand on your face, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank
What's
you. I
your-
really appreciate it.
Yeah, I get you.
Thank you. I'm good. I'm
Again, okay, again. Trying to work through
Straight.
this as best I can.
We're good.
Okay,
Thank you.
we're gonna ask you some questions, okay?
Sir.
You know who you are, sir. Where's one second. Where's Leon? Did she leave already or what? She left? What's her name? She's not in trouble. She's not in trouble. You're in trouble. Your kid, Leon, they're not. Okay, because here's the deal. If we can't get in contact with her, your kid's going with DCF. I don't want that to happen.
Get in contact with my girlfriend.
Okay.
It's her custody. It's the aunt was watching her for a couple hours.
Okay. Put your feet inside. I'm gonna close the door.
Kids, smart kid. Kids in the car. Poor kid.
I didn't see the kid in the car.
He said the kid said he was in the car with him.
There's a whole bunch of shit in the back of the car. I didn't see the kid in the car. If he was in the car, I didn't see him.
According to the kid said he was in the car.
So the kid was in the car when he fled from the officer? That's what it sounds like. That's probably going to be a child endangerment charge, if that's true.
Correct.
Yeah, he was in the rear passenger seat. Look in the back. There's all kinds of shit back there.
Yeah, including a fucking Nintendo Switch and headphones.
Oh, I didn't see the kid then. Jesus Christ.
That's cool. That's all I was saying. Like, there's no way. As quick as you got there, I would have saw somebody go out the back when I was coming in.
Mom's coming now.
Guess so. Okay, Mom is coming.
Yeah. You want to meet for a second?
Yep. Officer conference. I remember how to do this.
Yeah, hold on.
Michael, I'm going to read you your constitutional rights. You don't have to say anything to me, but I'm going to read them to you anyways, in case you want to talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice or ask you any questions that I'm with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time, and you will also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of those rights as I've explained them to you?
Yeah, I didn't see any kid in the car either. Like, I completely missed that.
Yeah. Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer like to speak to an attorney? Nope. With these rights, okay, who'd you ask? Do you remember? No? Okay. Okay, you want to talk to an attorney?
Yeah.
Cool. Tango 9 Miranda Red. Rights invoked.
So apparently, according to Mom, Tyler was out of school today and he was at her job. This guy comes up to the job and he's sitting out in the car with Tyler. Mom gives him the keys to turn on the AC so that Tyler could remain cool. That's why you probably didn't see him because he was laying down in the back to get the blanket and the headphones and his switch.
Okay, yeah.
So Mom was working until she gets off on lunch break. Then she was going to run him home.
Okay.
Knucklehead clearly has been drinking the twisted teas and decided that he's going to just drive off in the car.
Yeah.
This is just getting worse and worse for him. So now the suspect was drunk driving as well? Holy crap, drinking twisted teas. Can't go wrong with twisted teas, but you definitely shouldn't be drinking and driving.
She's all freaked out that we're going to tow her.
Yeah.
So
it's...
Yeah.
I mean... If you want to authorize the release to her, I'm good with it because technically it's the RO that's got to get it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And the RO is an rental company.
Yeah.
There ain't no point. I can't impound it anyway, so it's not his car, you know?
Yeah, do we have the, let me see, is the rental agreement inside?
I don't know. I haven't looked at it. What's up?
Do you want to start? All right, I took pictures of everything. I'm going to dump out that open container real quick, and then she's good to take the car. She showed the rental agreement, and everything's good.
License is good?
Her license is good. I checked it.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. You have all her 43 and everything?
Put it in the notes.
Perfect. Thank you, gentlemen.
Hey, dude, no worries, man. Good pop.
What is that for?
Blew past me and mocked Jesus.
Nice.
I'm like, any reason for the speed? Took off. All right.
All right.
The body camera's hilarious. I'm just like, all right. I just walked back to my car and I turn on De Leon. I'm like, it might be turning that way. I don't know. And the guy over there is like, hey, you turned into the church. I'm like, okay. He came over here. He's gone. I'm like, all right. He comes walking out from over there. I'm like, oh, hey, it's that guy. Get on the ground. I don't know.
I just love how you're talking on the radio. This is Taylor and I, by the way.
I forgot. I was like, yeah.
We can tell by the voice. Everybody knows you.
Just traveling down McGregor, and then I'm just like, angry cop noises. Oh my god!
I really wasn't that. I was like, this is happening. All right.
Your voice kind of sounded like a.
That's not very
what?
nice.
But all right. So not.
Yeah, you know. Please stop kicking my car. Please stop kicking my car.
Kyle. Bro, let's go. What the fuck?
Hey, can you stop kicking the car, please?
No.
He's got
No, fuck you. I don't give a fuck what paper you do. You didn't bring that one against me to goddamn Park South or whatever the fuck. I don't give a fuck. No, I'm done cooperating. I'm fucking done. I'm gonna hurt myself.
Way to go. Get yourself a destruction of property charge while you're at it.
Myself. Whatever.
Just gonna go to the jail.
I gotta go. I need a sergeant. Let's go.
He is the sergeant.
Let's go.
Can I get on the radio so we can go? All right.
My girl's gone. Fuck you. Everything, nothing matters anymore. Fuck you. I need a goddamn sergeant right now.
He is the sergeant.
Because I fucking.
Well, he is the sergeant.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
Your paperwork later.
Well, you're gonna get to meet the Lee County Jail.
Thanks. I knew you could do it later.
Oh,
You just
whatever.
want to do it while I was sitting here, so you didn't have to do shit later.
Whatever. Well, here we go. You're getting your wish.
Don't know why anybody would be in a rush to get to jail. I mean, unless he knows like the dinner menu by heart and knows what they're serving for dinner.
70.5, 70.5. Yeah. Let's get the siren. That was fast. A lot faster than.
Did the speed limit.
A lot faster than the first place where we had to do paperwork, huh? Well,
Tango Niner, unseen. Ending is 12.7.
Glad I know that for the next time. Fucking scumbag. Glad I know that. Piece of shit.
He's just rambling incoherently.
Please stop.
Yeah, fuck you.
Okay.
Let's see, it says he was charged with fleeing, resisting, and no driver's license and booked into the Lee County Jail.
Michael, he's having a day.
Has he been here before?
Yes, several times.
Michael?
Yeah, I'll get you the correct date of birth. Good luck. He's on this side of the car. He's transferred.
He was sentenced to 30 days in jail, 18 months probation, and issued a $715 fine by Judge Thomas Reese.
Yourself over. It's unlocked. He's been spitting the whole way for this.
You know how it is. Yeah. These assholes. Hello,
What a freaking man-child. Some people just never grow up. It's as simple as that. This man-child is going to relive this moment again and again, as the internet never forgets. Very true, Gary. Very true. I think we have time for one more video for today. One that I was going to probably save for Monday, but we can play it now. Let's see.
I wasn't driving.
When a 24-year-old thinks she's untouchable.
So you can't do a DUI test. Stupid.
On October 20th, 2024, officers responded to the scene of a car accident.
She came out with a gun?
Yeah, she came out with a gun because she thought somebody hit her friend, but her friend hit me.
Okay, you're the other car involved?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they were racing.
Okay.
She lost control.
Keep an eye on that chick right there in the flag.
Well, that car ain't gonna buff out, that's for sure.
It's her and another guy. I don't know who was driving.
Okay.
There's a
pulled a girl out of this side. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Hey, this chick might have pulled out a gun. We need to talk to her.
Yeah, for which direction were they going?
Tell him that's.
He has northbound shut down. Southbound is good to be open still.
Nobody.
Hey, where's the gun at?
What gun?
Where's the gun at? They said
What
you had a
gun?
gun. Where's
No,
the gun at?
I don't have no gun.
Where's the gun at?
I don't have a gun.
They said you pulled out a gun. Where's
No,
the
I
gun
didn't.
at? Okay. Come here, you're in your back, all right? Where's the gun?
Yo, call my baby.
It's okay.
No, don't touch me. I know my laws, baby.
Where's the gun at?
Call my man.
Where's the gun at?
I don't have a gun.
Is it in the car? Where's it at?
I don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
Yeah, baby.
What do you talk? What do you mean?
Were you involved in that?
No, sir. That's my sister.
Okay.
She
We're
called
gonna
me.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Hey Siri, call my everything.
Stop pulling away.
Okay, I need my phone. Don't take my
Stop
phone.
pulling away.
All right, good.
Stop pulling away.
I'm not. You cannot give me.
I can smell alcohol in your breath.
But I wasn't in the car accident.
Okay.
I wasn't in the accident.
We're getting to the bottom of it.
Help her.
Okay.
That's my.
Don't pull away. They said
I'm
someone
not.
said you pulled out. You can't run out
No,
with
I
a gun.
didn't. No, I didn't.
We're gonna get to the bottom of it. All right. When I'm
Check
talking
the
to you, don't
cameras.
pull away.
Who was in the Corvette?
That's my Corvette.
Okay.
It's a rental. I rent them out.
Okay. Were they involved in the accident?
No.
Are you hurting anywhere?
I'm just gonna take a guess, because I haven't seen this one yet. This is the first time I'm seeing it. That she's probably lying and that she, in fact, was the driver. That's just my guess.
Quit trying to escape out of the cuffs.
No, I'm not, baby. I've been to prison before. I know it. I'm on probation. I know
That's
it.
not a flex you think it is. I've been in prison before. That's not... You don't brag about something like that.
Sorry. That's my sister. Look at my legs. How about that?
Okay, we'll get you checked
Let me
out. out.
get my phone, though.
We'll get
Yo.
your phone. Hold on.
Yo, what's your last name? I bet. You want to see my phone, bitch? I'm going to kill that. You want to steal shit?
What are you talking about? Who you threatening law enforcement now?
Nah, it's not a
What are you
threat.
talking about? What'd you just say?
It's not a threat.
Who are you talking to? That cop?
I said, can I get my phone?
And he
Please.
said you're gonna kill that.
No, I was telling her. Like, I need my shit because my car.
Listen, you're
That's my
running
car.
all over the place. You're
Hey,
not
can I
making any
sit down?
sense.
Can I
You can
sit
sit
down?
down. Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. You have no gun on you.
I don't have a gun.
Okay.
I'm on federal probation.
Okay. You're acting really
No,
crazy
because
right now.
She flipped. It was a truck that hit her.
Yeah, someone said y'all were racing.
No, I don't race. I don't have a license.
Okay.
So why would I drive my car? Baby.
You take a phone?
No, it's right. So,
No, it's okay.
all right. So just sit back for me. Sit down. For
I can't sit down. My legs hurt.
Okay. Yeah. So I just.
My knee hurts.
Okay.
I jumped in the car to get her out. But the car started smoking.
Okay.
And I've been in car accidents, and that's how I lost my mom.
Yeah, I'm calling BS on that. I jumped in my car to get my sister out. BS, lady. The truth is gonna come out, and it's probably gonna show that you were in fact driving. Like, she has to be on something, because probably drunk because the officer said he could smell alcohol on her, but she's probably on some other drugs as well because right now she is just all over the place, nonstop.
My
Okay,
father.
that's fine. We need to identify you.
All right, but that.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
Where's it at? Hey, listen, this is very serious, okay? Where's the gun at? We're gonna find the
What
gun.
gun?
We're gonna find the gun. Where's the gun at?
What gun are you
I
talking
just want to
about?
make sure it's not a threat right now. It's okay to have a gun, but I want to make sure the
Yo, sorry. What gun? We have gun license.
Okay, where is? Look,
I don't have a gun because I'm on probation.
Just listen.
I came in to save her, and I'm the criminal.
The two, she was in this Corvette. The guy said they were racing. They said she came over here, went into this black car, pulled her friend out and said, hey, where's my gun at? Where's my gun? And she got...
I mean, that is a good point, Legal Fiction. No license but rents Corvettes. I mean, as far as I know, because I've never rented a car before, but I would figure you would have to have a license in order to rent a car in your name, but maybe I'm wrong.
the gun and she'd walk around with the gun.
Yeah?
2 people said that. So I'm just securing her right now for officer safety because she's saying she doesn't have a gun on her, but there's a gun somewhere.
Sit down right here. Just right here. Just sit down right there. Once they're done with her, they're gonna come check you out, okay?
Who's the driver there?
I think her. He said she came from the Corvette.
I don't drive. I have a Corvette. I have a driver.
Corvette at?
Who's the driver of the Corvette?
I have owners.
Who's the driver of the Corvette?
My brother.
Where's he at?
Where's the car at? Where's the car at?
No, I can't help you.
Where's the car?
I can't help you. I don't have a driver's license. I just own the car.
Where's your car? So
Exactly.
you can make sure it's not on the road.
Regardless, you're gonna let me go. Because I didn't crash my car. I know the laws, baby. So play with me if you want to.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jersey, but I've been here.
Where in Jersey?
Doesn't matter.
I'm from New York.
So what's up? So you get them. More than me. I'm from Madison.
I understand it.
So when my sister is in an accident, what you do? You're gonna run and jump the gun.
You're gonna sit down for me.
No, I need my phone. That's what I
Phone's
need.
been right here.
Yeah.
So
That's my mom.
That's cool. We're gonna go.
No.
We're gonna go sit in the car. Then.
No. What are you sitting me in the car
Okay,
for?
so you gonna calm down, or you gonna calm down?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you gonna sit down right there. You're gonna sit down right there.
I pay my phone.
I don't care what. You gonna sit down right there, or you gonna sit in my car? Which one you want? Which one do you want?
I'm gonna sit down right here.
Thank you.
We from Jersey, baby. So talk it out with me.
You wanna calm down, all right?
Okay, yes.
All right, cool.
I don't care about my car. Those are my cars.
So they're gonna check you out.
Can we maybe just like...
Nah, I'm not moving.
Well, you're distracting us from assessing her and giving her medical...
So come over here.
So I can get my phone though. So that's a law, right? So let me get my phone.
Come over here.
So let me get my phone. That's a law. That's a law. Yo, Tori.
Let's go over here. Some quiet over here. Let's go over here.
Nah, record that shit on your shit.
Everything's being recorded. There's no law. You're detained right now, okay? Because
Yours is safer than you.
No, I can sit here. I can sit here.
who's talking? We had 2 witnesses over here in the car that got rear-ended.
She won't say where to go.
No, she's saying this is on federal probation.
All right, ma'am. We need to find this gun because we don't want a gun laying around. How come 2 people said you had one then?
Well, baby, I'm the one that was.
I'm asking.
And I don't have a gun.
Okay, where did
We
that,
have license to carry.
where did that come
I
from?
don't understand. Because none of these popos was there in the accident.
I didn't say the police.
All right,
I
but
said
that's
witnesses.
All right, I don't have a gun. I'm sorry. I can't help you.
Okay, so
Wrong
here's the
bitch.
deal. You're on probation right now.
I'm not. Wrong bitch. You
What's
ain't
it?
look me up.
Okay, we're gonna. Where's your ID? Let's start
I don't
there.
have an ID.
You got a Florida license?
Yes, sir. I
All
have
right.
it on my phone.
Okay, we're gonna find
It's
that out.
4160.
Okay, we're gonna find all that out, and we're gonna get to the bottom of it. Right now, you're secured. All right. While we sort everything
Listen,
out.
I pay for everything for her. That's my sister. That's my best friend. Her family lives in Miami. A truck hit her from the back, and she flipped.
Okay,
So if you don't understand that, so let me help you understand.
ma'am, we'll get to you in a minute. Right now.
Her story is all over the place. Like, 1 second she says that she rented the car, then she says she owned the car, and then she has a license, then doesn't have a license. She is just all over the place right now.
Now we're gonna keep you detained until we sort it all out.
What color Corvette are we looking for?
What color was it, sir?
You got a tag of it? You got the tag?
10-8 towards Orlando.
I've been to prison before. I
What's
don't
your name?
care.
What's your first name?
Destiny.
Destiny.
Amanda. I just came out of jail.
Destiny. Amanda. What's your last name?
Can I like help myself?
What do you need? I can try to help you. What do you need? Don't come out of here.
I know that's another, baby. I know that's another charge. I don't go fuck. I got money. Can you just clean me? Cause I don't.
Oh,
I'm phobia. I'm phobia with blood.
So I got you. Just come.
And I just want to say thank you to William for the $5 PayPal. Thanks for the surprise Saturday chat. I love your happy and informative comments, and your members are always very welcoming. Thank you very much, William. I do appreciate that. Thank you.
Can you sit down right here on the curb? I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you sit down. I'm gonna have the FD come over here and clean you up. Okay?
Wait.
Put your shoes on.
Can I get my phone?
Can you sit down?
No,
for me?
can I get my phone?
Thank you, Chris.
I know I'm not under nobody.
Appreciate that.
Sit down right here. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I got you. Sit down. Sit down. I got you. I'm not gonna let you fall.
That might be the net one. What is the other two?
And then I'm gonna have.
So who was driving the Corvette? Who was driving the Corvette?
On our arrival, I didn't see any weapons, but I did see the one you guys got cuffed yelling at whoever the driver of the Corvette was to leave.
Oh, really? Okay.
I think she put the gun on the Corvette and told him to get the hell.
You need us to check her out? Yeah, she said she got cut. She wanted to check out.
Yeah, you gotta let me go play.
So they
yeah, let me go.
Sit back down.
My lawyer is the best, baby.
Sit back down. No, you're not getting out of the cuffs. Sit back down.
Watch me.
Sit back down.
So look, the FD is here to check out your cut. So sit down for me.
So let me go.
Sit down for me.
So let me go, baby.
Sit down for me.
Hey man, what's going on?
I need to let go so I can help you.
Nah, you just tell me. Use your words.
No, I can't. Doesn't matter then.
Look, Destiny, you're not coming out of cuffs right now. So just
Well, I'm at the team.
yes, you are detained.
How do you want me to help you?
This was also
you help
inside
me?
the car. So all
Can you
that
help
was
me?
in this ring here. Okay.
Well, that's my ring.
I'm putting it right in the bag. Is this your bag?
Okay, see? Okay. You want to sit down and let me check you out? Okay.
Listen, we could take the handcuffs off, but you were acting real. You were all
Yeah,
over
because
the
my
place.
sister was in the floor.
That's fine.
That's my car. That's my father's car. That's her stepdad. It's my dad.
Okay.
Where's the
Lee
store?
James.
Where's the? Why are you talking to me like this?
I'm not.
What are
I'm
you doing?
just happy
You are.
something.
Are you
I'm
hammered
like-
drunk right now?
No, I'm not drunk. I don't know what to tell you. I wasn't driving, so you can't do a DUI test. Stupid.
I really hope they throw the book at her.
Come and check you out or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you can help me.
I can't take you out of cuffs right now. Do you want FD to check you out?
Oh, I understand the procedure with MC.
Do you want them to check you out? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
they can, and you gotta let go of me when they check me out. That's the rules.
No, I gotta make sure you don't
Play
fall.
with me, exactly. But you gotta.
We're gonna keep a hand on you.
No, those are the rules. So let me know if you want to go without it or with it, cause I know my laws.
Okay.
You know your laws, but apparently you do not know the laws. And I'm sure you got your law education either off TikTok or YouTube, like most people these days.
You want to get checked out?
Exactly, but I still need this. Uncuff me, cause I know the rules.
We can check it out. We can check it out.
I know the rules, baby.
I heard her ask for the gun and he saw the gun.
I saw the gun. It was here. And then before the police came, she went to the Corvette and told the guy to take
So the
off.
bigger girl got out of the Corvette and said, "Where's my
Black
gun?"
Hawk,
Yeah. Where's my gun? Put it away. Then went to the Corvette and then no more gun.
Correct.
Hello, sir. Can I speak to my?
No, so you're getting checked out. Remember?
Yeah.
Stay
They
here.
gotta check me in the car.
That's not a thing. You're making stuff
No,
up.
I know the rules, baby.
You're making stuff up. You don't know anything.
Definitely tracking.
Play it. Keep it playing.
He's gonna switch you for.
I don't have one.
Okay.
Destiny,
Can you check my hair? Yes, sir. It's a
Would
man.
you like me to wrap your knees up? Because you got a little bit scratched up.
They're both bleeding.
Okay, do you want me to wrap them up for you? Okay, I'll do that.
Let's sit down.
No, I'm not gonna sit down because he said I can stand up. He said I can stand up. You tripping.
Can I put this on your finger? Just to check your heart? Yeah.
Based upon her demeanor here, charge her with interfering in my investigation because she's not being cooperative, she's not refusing to leave, and charge her with resisting without violence. Okay.
And what about because you won't provide her information? Do she require to do that for witness for witness information, just for the crash investigation?
Not for the witness because she's interfering here and she doesn't want to identify herself. We have enough for the charges. Okay. So go charge her for this hospital.
Joneses.
He has my ID.
Okay.
Are you guys keeping her bag that's getting transported?
I shouldn't be getting transported because I didn't do anything. I can walk home. Don't worry about my car.
What's that?
I can walk home. Like I didn't do anything.
You're not walking
no,
home.
I'm not drunk.
I can smell the alcohol and impurities in your breath.
Amanda, you want me to clean it or you want me to wrap it? I have some alcohol prep.
Either or.
You want me to clean it and then wrap it, or? All right.
Do you have her ID by chance? Nobody's got her ID yet.
Oh yeah, he said she's not arrested. She's not under arrest. Okay.
Destiny, I'm gonna read you your rights, okay? Your right to remain silent. Do you understand? Anything you say maybe get you in court. Do you understand? You have the right to talk to your before and during a questioning. Do you understand? What's that? What?
Yeah.
Who?
The officer that commands over you guys.
It's Sunday. He's not in today.
No, he's supposed to be.
My lieutenant's right here. That's the highest I got.
Let me talk to him.
Sure. You have the right to talk to the lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand? Just leave it there for now.
Or you give me in a car.
What does she need it for right now?
I do need it.
For your report? We'll take care of it. We'll bring it there. We can bring it there.
No, I need to speak to somebody before I go in.
You have the right to talk to the lawyer before and during question. Do you understand?
Well, lady, the world doesn't revolve around you, and you are not in charge of this situation.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you without questioning before charge. Do you understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand? Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
Yeah, you.
I have this in here now, right? All right. Can I get that off your arm now?
Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Hey, so they're saying there was another Corvette involved.
I have 2 Corvettes. I rent them out. I'm a renter.
Okay, so you own them. So where's the other Corvette at?
They're
You talk
all
to
by
him.
my name.
But there was another Corvette that was here on scene.
No, that was a renter. I have the info if you give me my phone.
What car did you?
I don't
What
wanna
car
go
did you
to
come
jail.
out of? What car did you come out of?
I'm not gonna tell you because I'm gonna go to jail for something stupid, and my bond is $100.
What car did you come out of? What car did you ride in?
No. If I'm not going to jail, because I shouldn't even be going to jail for no reason.
But you won't.
Well, that's a terrible prediction right there, because you are in fact going to jail, lady. This isn't a negotiation, and this isn't Burger King, so you're not going to get your way.
I
Since you're interfering in my
understand.
investigation.
Well, I can't
That's
help
resisting.
it.
That's a charge.
I jumped her to get her out the car.
Where'd you come from? What car?
My own car.
Where's that at?
The lights. It's a Corvette.
Where's it at?
It's a Corvette.
I need it here for the investigation.
I was passenger. I don't own a license. I can't drive.
That's fine. I'm not worried about. I'm not doing it. Do
See,
you?
she's again. She says she rents the car, then she owns the car. She doesn't have a license, but somehow rents the cars. She's making no sense and is all over the place. She is so drunk, she doesn't even know what she's saying. No, William, she is not Mark worthy. In fact, no one worthy for that matter.
Fine.
Can I get? Oh, of course you can.
I'm not doing it to you.
You're gonna charge me for something stupid. I didn't do anything.
Well, you did a couple of things. One, you told the silver car to drive away and leave.
No, I didn't.
I got a witness that says you
Well,
did.
then
And
get
then
that camera out because I didn't. And my lawyer was.
Are you cut anywhere else?
On my arm.
In your arm? You see, turn?
Check in this one or the other one.
No, look over here.
Because I dragged her out the car.
Kyle, it's your 1015? Over here. George, like, is it George?
Yeah, it sounds like it's his. He gave me he gave me PC for
You good, Raheem?
I'm good. Yeah.
Like, I wasn't doing anything bad. I just want my sister to be okay. I travel. I'm from New Jersey.
She's getting taken care of.
I know, but I'm just scared.
She's getting
I'm
taken
a
care
mom. I just became a mom.
All right, are you hurting anywhere else? Any chest pain?
No, I'm okay.
Any shortness of breath?
No, but she has a hard murmur and she don't like to talk about it.
Well, we'll take good care of her. All right, she's going to the hospital right now. Our professionals will take good care of her. Okay, she's going to be all right. All right? We're just making sure you're okay. Anything else I can do for you? Yeah? All right.
Can I move my hair? Can I move it? I'm not getting off. Can you move it? Please? Right here?
Just blow.
Listen, I'm not drunk. I wasn't driving my own car.
Excuse me, is there any way you can sign this right here? This is not a bill just saying that we came and checked your blood pressure. No problem.
Can you let me go? I didn't do anything.
You're being held because you have been acting erratic.
And I'm bleeding. Like, I'm bleeding everywhere. Shit's crazy.
If you would take a seat and relax,
I don't want to sit down because I need my sister to be okay. I travel here for work. I travel here for work.
They already took her and she's getting taken care
I do not pick her up. I pay for everything. That's my car. Look at the leaves. That's my car. That car is 2018. I pay that shit. I do crypto. I do tattoos. I'm self-employed. I'm a wife. I'm not like a scandalous. I'm a wife. I'm not a scandalous. Can I sit down a little bit? Can you hold my hand? So I can...
You can sit down on the curb. It's easier instead of just sitting down here on a flat surface. You can go and lean up against the water pole.
Can you hold this?
Go lean up against the water pole.
Right here. It's okay.
Flip it over.
I think that shoot cash. We don't care about no car. We got money. Y'all working 9 to 5. Come get with us. Yeah. Hit it harder. So I can make my dad buy me another Corvette.
So she owns them, she rents them, now her dad pays for them. Jeez, like, stick to one story. Like, if you're gonna lie, I mean, stick to one story and try and make it convincing. You're not even trying, lady. Like, you're just lying all over the place.
All right, Miss Jessie, go ahead and stand up, okay?
What?
You're gonna get searched, okay? I'm gonna help you out. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? Yep. Well, we're gonna take it nice and slow.
Hold on.
Okay, what are you doing? Okay, we'll help you out. We got two strong officers here.
Holding it, Louise. Playing on the exit.
Hey, when you go down to the jail, you're not gonna bring anything with you, right? I know someone said you had the gun, and then you've been acting real. You keep your hands out. Don't just keep grabbing stuff, okay? It's a felony to take it into jail, okay? Okay, don't brag on it. Oh. Yep, I got it on camera. You can say there. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I asked your class. Careful reading it in. Wow, that's all good. It's on her shoe right there. Yeah, okay, that's just documented evidence. I just told you it's on your shoe, and you wiped it off.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Okay, it's fine. It's all on camera, okay? All right, the next another charge. You grab her an evidence bag. She's got it on her hands and gloves. You would make sense, but in a couple hours when you sober up, it's going to be very upsetting for you. Put a glove in there too.
Yeah, I better put both of them.
Hey, so you know it's a new crime to expose officers to fentanyl dangerously like that. So
That's not fentanyl.
what is this? So here's the thing. You just exposed this officer to possible fentanyl.
So she also had fentanyl, and the test came back positive. Boy, this just keeps getting worse and worse.
You just listen to me. You don't control this thing.
You don't own me, bitch.
You don't control. Don't
You don't
swear
own
up to
me.
me.
You don't own me.
Do not swear up to me.
What is this?
It's a crime to expose possible.
Okay.
It's
a double bag.
Do not.
Double bag it.
You got any more?
Yeah, double bag it. There's tons in there.
And she got charged with resisting without violence, crimes against person, harm public servant, tampering with physical evidence, and possession of a controlled substance.
Put another one in. Let's close that one. Seal it.
Do not put more in there.
Seal it.
Stop pulling away.
No.
You're not controlling this.
Stop.
Pulling
I'm
away.
not pulling away.
You're not controlling this, okay? You are about to.
Yeah, I thought I had it.
And off to jail she goes. Yeah, she does belong back in prison, for sure. And the scariest thing is, she said she has kids, or at least a kid, but that child is gonna be screwed up in life, which is sad. Jeez. The kid will be better off if she goes back to prison, honestly. All right, everyone. I think that is where we're going to wrap up today's last minute surprise stream. Mostly just wanted to focus on the sovereign citizens, which we did today. And yeah, the airport lady, that was just insane. It's such a waste of time. Then we had the guy who ran from the cops and started crying, and then this lady. But man, that sovereign citizen in court, like, I don't know what he was trying to do. He fired his attorneys and then, I mean, tried making arguments that made no sense. And then, of course, when all else failed, he resorted to the sovereign citizen BS. Oh man, just a total train wreck that was. Like, if you're gonna play lawyer, at least know what you're doing. That guy didn't have a clue, much like basically every other softsit that we see on the channel. We should be back on Monday with our next live stream starting at 10 a.m. Eastern. Be sure to join our Discord server if you haven't already. It's where we hang out when we're not streaming. We do our On Patrol live chats over there, and it's always a fun time, so be sure to join us. And be sure to hit that like button on your way out. The more likes just helps out the channel. Hey, Kathy L, thank you and welcome. I appreciate it. Just going through the chat real quick, making sure I didn't miss anything. And yeah, real quick, I just want to say thank you again to Legal Fiction for the 10 gifted memberships today. Thank you again to Erica for being a member now for 27 months. Thank you to Sally Port for the $10 super chat, as well as Wixom for the $10 super chat. And thank you again to William for the $5 PayPal. Really do appreciate all of your support. And you all are awesome, and everyone is awesome for just being here, hanging out, and supporting the channel. I hope everyone has a good rest of your weekend. Patriots tomorrow, which should be good, and then tomorrow night I'm going to TNA Bound for Glory, which will be my first wrestling event in years, so I'm looking forward to that. We'll probably post some pictures on the Discord, and yeah, that's going to wrap it up for me for today. Thank you all again so much for watching, and as always, I will see you all next time. Take care, everyone.